May it be pleases your lordship.
Delivery of judgment, item 35, WPC 3737 of 2017.
Writ petition dismissed. Sorry, huh?
Any mention?
With the
Yes.
consent of the other segment, I beg to mention item 33, my lord. In this case, 33, my lord.
33.
Yes,
Yes.
some accommodation for today. ma'am.
On the prayer, Mr. We request to learn counsel for the petition. Any prayer not being objected by learn counsel for the respondents. Dismiss matter after 3 weeks.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item 30, Lordship.
30.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, engaged counsel, Mr. L.R. Mazumdar is out of station, Lordship.
Mr.
A. Islam. A. Islam.
A. Islam, learn counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. L.R. Majumdar, learn counsel for the petition, praised for adjournment of the matter on the ground that Mr. Majumdar, learn counsel has some personal difficulty today. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks.
May it be pleases your lordship. Taking consent of the other side, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 of the daily list.
18.
Here, your lordship, we have sent affidavit for the vetting purpose. So kindly matter may list after
On the
2 weeks.
prayer of MS P. Das, learned standing counsel, secondary education. List this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable her to file affidavit in opposition. Yes.
May I pray for a date, Lordship?
Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, consenting the prayer for adjournment.
Please, any date.
Why 2026 matter?
At this period of the petitioner, Lordship, he is more than 50 years, but he has been removed, Lordship, under compulsory retirement. Most arbitrary, Lordship.
It's good.
Service period, Lordship.
You should be happy. Compulsory retirement, not dismissal.
Lordship, any date, Lordship.
And what was the allegation? Very serious allegation.
Sir, allegation is there.
Is it serious or not?
For the department.
Is it not serious or not?
Clear violation, Lordship. with the
Mr.
department.
Khan, is it serious? Allegation is serious or not? What is the allegation? Yes. You should be happy. Compulsory retirement. Anyway, we'll see. 2026.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a contempt matter. The matter may be listed on next week on any date.
Next week.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16 and 17 of the daily list, Lordship. Lordship, we need to file affidavit and reply, Lordship, so grant some time, Lordship.
On the prayer MS,
A Paying,
A.
Lordship.
Paying learned counsel for the petitioner.
Any date after 7 months.
2 weeks time is granted to file
Affidavit.
affidavit in reply.
I am appearing for the private respondent in item number
Mr.
16. My lord, I am praying for a date, my lord.
RM Deka learned counsel for the petitioner. Private respondent.
Person number 3 in item number 16 and petitioner in item number 17, my lord.
Private respondent is present. We'll see. 2026 matter.
Maybe fixed, my lord. Interim order is operating, my lord.
It's okay. You file an application for vacating.
My lord, actually, my
Then
lord,
after 4 weeks, you give the date.
3 weeks date, my lord. Kindly, my lord. After 3 weeks, any date.
No,
Fifth
no,
of-
it's okay. What is this? Who are you?
After holy vacation, my lord.
Hmm?
After 7th, my lord. Holy vacation. Deeply obliged, lord.
Of last, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 32 of the daily list.
32.
32, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
The consent of the other side, the matter may be adjourned for the day
Why?
and interim may be continued.
Why?
The senior is on leave.
You are MS?
I am for J. Pai and
Your name, please.
NS Rajkhoa.
Then consent for the petitioner appearing on behalf of Mr. J. Pang. Press for adjournment of the matter.
Interim may be continued.
As Mr. Wang, learned counsel petitioner is indisposed. He has some personal difficulty today. Praise the Lord, this after 3 weeks. Interim order to continue. Interim order passed earlier shall continue. Till the next date.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22 of the daily list, Your Lordship. There is a personal inconvenience. Kindly adjourn the matter for a week, and also, Your Lordship, kindly fix a date.
Not fixed date. This is contempt matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Anybody, nobody is appearing. We'll see. You be there. What orders need to be passed?
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing for admission, Lordship, matter regarding admission in MBBS course, Lordship. Kindly fix any date next week.
It's over.
Yeah?
It's over. Admission for which
MBBS course, Lord.
academic year?
Ac-
Next week. Next week.
It may pray for listing of a method for admission laws regarding provincial of service laws.
3 weeks. After 3 weeks.
That laws of the Jews.
3 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in item number 11, the respondent has filed their affidavit in opposition yesterday, Your Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, on the prayer, Mr.
R.A. Mazumdar.
R.A. Majumdar, counsel for the petition is that he has received the affidavit in opposition while by the respondent yesterday, therefore phrase for 3 weeks time, 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Praise the Lord, list after 2 weeks.
Oblige.
List the matter after 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention listing of 2 items, my lord. This petition. It came up earlier before this.
What is the urgency?
It came up in the last year, September.
What is the urgency? Is there any urgency?
My lord, 4 weeks time was granted. Thereafter. it
After
did not
2
come.
weeks. After 2 weeks.
Motion item 36.
This is mentioned.
36. Maybe the Lordship, matter will be timing for the sometime, my lord.
Huh?
For the sometime, my lord.
where we wait.
Yes?
My senior is on legs, my lord. Matter will be timing, my lord. Also, matter is a timing.
Exam is scheduled on 17th.
Only for moment, my lord. And then.
Yes, he's there.
Yes, come.
Sorry, my lord. Lordship, having been agreed, Lordship.
Very difficult, sir.
Lordship,
This will upset everything.
Lordship,
Yes, everything.
I approached this court immediately after after issuance of the
And it's a civil, I mean.
and it is totally.
You may be correct, but it will upset whole thing.
No, it is.
Because it will be not the interest of the,
It is in violation of the court's order, Lordship.
It's all right.
As well as
you, if it's a violation of court's order, you file a petition, appropriate application.
Your Lordship may kindly come to the page number 55.
Hmm.
Before approaching this honorable court, I approached the authority, Lordship.
It's all right. The guardians of so-and-so are hereby inform you that kindly cancellation of student rotation is very difficult. It's already fixed. See, it is scheduled on 17.
Lordship, on 17, Lordship, you Lordship may see.
No, what would be alternative? Because this will have a, I mean,
Lordship,
cascading effect.
actually, Lordship, there is rotation. They have done the rotation.
I have understood. That's why I'm saying you may be correct. But this is at the 11th hour, it's very difficult.
Not in, today is the 12th, Lordship.
No, the CBSE, I mean, it cannot be just, it's not a one person that you'll do it.
Today is 12th, Lordship.
See, Mr. Sir, this will have a effect on the students.
Lordship, I may be at Lordship.
It's only about the center, examination center only.
Lordship,
It'll have to upset everything.
Lordship, I am going to that, Lordship. I am going to that, Lordship. I am going to that about the history of the school, Lordship.
I know. I've ready to hear your petition.
Lordship,
No, the problem is we cannot do anything. We'll, at the best, we'll issue notice.
no, the notice will not solve the problem. Lordship.
No, we cannot do it.
Lordship, I dispose of my petition, Lordship, in terms of the earlier order passed by this honorable court, which is at page, Lordship, 23, Lordship. 23, Lordship.
23, where is this?
This order is passed, Lordship, on 30
31st August, Lordship. No, Lord,
Not
thereafter,
23.
Lordship, thereafter, Lordship, there is another order, Lordship. That is, last order is at page, Lordship, 34. Page 34. Page 34. On the day preceding to the date of examination, Lordship, the petitioner approached this honorable court and finding no others also, the way, Lordship, the honorable court disposed of the matters, Lordship, with some directions, Lordship.
This
On
is,
that, on
this
that
is,
occasion, my
this
largest
is
friend-
class 12.
Class 10 and 12, same, Lordship. Claims 12.
Huh?
Here, in that case, Lordship, case was filed by class 12 student, Lordship. This time, Lordship, both class 10 and class 12. And
This is of which year?
this is, Lordship, 2025, Lordship.
So what had happened to this?
This is 26, Lordship.
What had happened to this?
Lordship, here in that case, Lordship, the authority, Lordship, submitted an undertaking before this honorable court that they will provide the traveling expenses, Lordship. And on the basis of that instruction, Lordship, case was disposed of, Lordship. My madam was also the part of that case, Lordship.
Government will provide.
And this is a Lordship residential school, Lordship. There is no link of parents with the students, Lordship. And the residential school has no
It's all right.
means of traveling, Lordship.
What happened to this?
Lordship, the principal JNB Adabari, he has arranged all the Lordship arrangement of ASTC buses.
Ah,
No, Lordship.
Not CBSE, Lordship. At this last moment, they have approached, moreover, Lordship, what happened? The center is allotted very carefully. If some reputation is there, bad reputation is there, Lordship, regarding that school, because question paper may be leaked out, Lordship, who will be responsible? Because the school has very bad reputation. So a center was not allotted. So carefully, we have to allocate the center, Lordship.
Lordship,
JNB,
this is a
JNB
residential school, there is no means of traveling, Lordship, and the
No,
students
that
have
they'll
connection
arrange-
with the
they'll
students,
arrange.
Lordship. How can they will,
They said-
Lordship?
Let
I
them
said
approach
they-
the deputy commissioner or JNB Adalbari earlier, they have arranged the STC buses, Lord. Let them approach the principal, Lordship.
How can, Lordship, this, Lordship, the
Why
the
not,
students, Lordship?
If
And it
difficulty
is
is
not
there, they
possible,
know it
Lordship,
very
for them,
well.
Lordship. And
But
there are
last,
some
last moment,
some
peak
students
hour, they
are
have
from,
approached this honorable court.
Lordship,
Where the
some
court can
students are from
direct us,
Kokrajhar, some are Karbi Anglong,
maybe.
some are from Kamrup Metro, Lordship.
Cannot. This is very difficult.
Lordship, same order may kindly be passed, Lordship, at least.
No, JNB principal is not present today. They have not made party the JNB principal.
No, JNP principle is not required, Lordship. Admit cards were issued by the CBSE authority, Lordship.
Maybe.
And being aware of everything, Lordship, and we are repeatedly filing the writ petition.
We are not allotting the center to the.
We are repeatedly,
because
Lordship, filing.
They have
writ
very
petitions,
bad
Lordship.
reputation. Earlier also, they have given temporary allotment, Lordship. Here we have know about the school authority, Lordship.
And it is in violation of CBSE guideline, Lordship. Center cannot be more than 10 kilometer far from the school, Lordship. And it is, Lordship, about 35 kilometers, Lordship. I have stated, Lordship,
Check করিলে নহব, guideline, you have to show the guideline.
30 kilometer, Lordship, distance.
You obtain instruction,
Lordship.
we'll see tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Lordship.
If,
Tomorrow.
What instruction, Lordship? Whether they,
whether all this transportation and all can be
Yes, Lord,
managed.
that much only, Lordship. That
Who,
much.
we are for CBSE?
PSC,
Who has to
Lordship.
arrange all this thing?
Adalbari Basta, the principal.
Is there?
Earlier, he has made arrangement of ASCC buses
Is
for
there?
transportation
Ah.
of students. Lordship, may kindly see page 35. Always they are harassing like this every, just before announcement of the starting of the
Yes.
examination, they approach this honorable court, not before that.
How
Why
can
they
we-
know
how
it
can we
very
do-
well. They have
Lordship,
got the
cause of
admit card in
action-
the month of
cause of action, error only-
December, November.
Only after.
They should have
No,
approached
when-
earlier.
Yes, when you have approached this court last year,
Yes, Lord.
what is the order?
Order is page 34. Last order is page.
What does it say?
Yes, 34.
You see, Borough further point out the distance between JNB Adalbari, same.
Lordship, same lordship.
Adalbari,
That's why the
Baksa and
big-
Eclobia Model
aware of that
Residential School is
particular
only 13 and besides the principal of the so-and-so has already made ST bus for transport student during exam days and as such it is contained in this message. Submits that if ASTC buses provide for transporting student, then the grievance of the writ petition is sufficiently addressed and says this petition. Huh? You want that same order?
Same order. Madam submitted instruction before the honorable.
This
court
time I have
on the last
instruction.
occasion.
That's why
I
you,
cannot say.
then that's why I'm saying you
I'll take
It's only
instruction,
provision
not
of this.
tomorrow, Lordship, Monday.
we'll just
Monday and
then in that case we'll say that
Why he has come at the last moment?
Judge,
Only cause of.
It will have a-
Just
earlier
wait, one by one.
Madam,
Madam, one by one.
Lordship.
has already made arrangement of STC. We'll say that to the principal to arrange the buses
will
for
arrange it.
transportation of students. We'll just say.
Then,
But problem is he's
I'm
not before
I'm
us.
not debating.
Lordship,
I'm
Principal.
not for
Lordship,
principal.
Lordship,
I'm not for principal.
Ah,
Lordship.
heard, mister. You just submit the copy today.
Lordship.
Order.
I have a copy, Lordship. I have got the annex, they have annexed this order with the repetition, Lordship.
We're disposing will allow they will
Let's-
direct the principal to arrange the
Let's-
transportation for
let's-
the students. That's all, nothing else, nothing else.
Lordship, to the direction may be given to the respondent number 4 and 5, Lordship.
Who is 4 and 5?
Lordship, respondent number 4,
CBSE director, how he can, Lordship.
Lordship, controller of examination, Lordship, CBSE,
He cannot.
and the directors,
He's staying at Delhi.
they issued, Lordship, they
He
issued
has
the,
made party. Lordship.
Where is the order which you are challenged?
Lordship, the admit cards, Lordship.
Where it is?
It is, Lordship, Lordship, page number, Lordship, just a minute, Lordship, page number,
Heard Mr. So and so.
37 onwards.
Petitioner. Not onwards, give me one, please.
the 37, Lordship, page 37. 37. Issued by controller of examination, CBSE.
Heard Mr.
H. Talukdar, Lordship. H.
H. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petitioners. Interest of the students will just say, will direct you, just you.
Lordship,
We'll record that.
Lordship.
Will not go by the, technicalities today because of the students. And MS
Arbora.
Arbora, London Standing Council, London CBSE,
CBSE.
Standing Council CBSE for respondent 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Parents position, even now. ইমান স্কুল position নহয় position বহি ওলাই পেলাই হেৰি-
Control of exam CBSE, you are not.
Yes, I'm from his Delhi Lordship.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
The director, Central Board of Education is control of examination, he not Punjabi Lordship, address is Delhi. He's not Punjabi sitting at Punjabari.
Whatever may be control of examination, you are there.
Treating Lordship, but he is not made a party in this case, only director.
It's all right,
Regional
we are not
director.
directing anything to you. But you can appear for control of examination CBSE.
But kindly director, regional director, CBS.
Who is the controller of examination? Of
He's staying at
CBSE.
Delhi Lordship.
Lordship, regional officer, Lordship.
Doesn't matter, maybe in Pakistan or America,
Yes, Lordship,
doesn't
the
matter.
But regional officer,
4,
he's the
5, and 2,
authority
3, 1,
here.
2, 3, 4, and 5, huh? The respondent 6. No, please stop, huh? Please stop. This writ petition is filed by whom?
By the father of, guardian of the
The
students. Lordship.
Guardian oblique parents of the students, 17 in numbers. Whose words are studying in which school?
Lordship, Ekologya Model Residential School, Dalbari.
Eclobia Model Residential School, Dalbari. And JNB Adalbari. Huh? No,
JNB
Dalbari.
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 not made a party.
Dalbari. List of the grievance is against the decision of the CBSE, respondent CBSE, to conduct the examination of class 10 and 12 as regard the rotation of examination center scheduled to be held from 17/02/2016 in between the Center of Eklavya Model Residency School, Dalbari, and JNB Adalbari, Baksha. It is the contention of the learned counsel for the petitioner that earlier in view of the no, since there was no examination center within 30-kilometer radius where the residential school initially the CBSE for the convenience of students allotted a temporary examination center list of. Thereafter, the respondent CBSE created CBSE had identified a permanent examination center where the students are being for the students appearing for the examination of class 10 and class 12. Next para. This year, the examination center has been decided to be held. Where it is? JNB Adalbari.
Yes, Baska.
Huh?
It is an examination center. What
Center-
of-
it
In JNB
Adal-
Adalbari, Baksa,
Baksha.
Assam. To which the petitioners are agreed on the ground that the distance between the Eklavya Model Residential School, Dalbari, where the wards of the petitioners are studying and would be taking their examination, and the JNB Adalbari Baksa, where examination is scheduled to be conducted, are more than 30 kilometers,
40 kilometers.
which will create hardship to the students.
Also, what do you mean? Yes.
The learned counsel for the learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that such decision is against the norms
The center seems
of
to be
the
a head school of bad reputation.
CBSE.
I'll practice হয়.
That too, when there is a when a permanent examination center has already been created at Eklavya Model Residential School, Dalbari. Mr. He refers to the order of this court passed on 14/02/2025 in WPC 761 of 2025. In a similar circumstances, for the examination as a class 10 and 12 examination of 2025. List of next better. Next better. Perusal of the order dated 14/02/2025 passed by this court for the in a similar circumstances for the year 2000 for the examination of class 10 and 12 for the year 2025 reflects that in view of the submissions of the learned State Council that the principal of the principal from JNB Adalbari Baksha has already made an arrangement of AST buses for transportation of the students during the examination. The petitioner, the Learned Council petitioner had agreed that if the AST buses are provided for transporting the students, then the grievance of the petition is substantially redressed, substantially addressed, and prayed for closing of the writ petition, for disposal of the writ petition. Considering the submissions of the council to the parties, this court has disposed of the writ petition on the basis of the written instructions where the principal of the JNB Adalbari Baksha would had arranged buses for transportation of students during the examination. Next paragraph. Considering the urgency and the interest of the student, for the interest of the students, the writ petition is disposed of at this motion is at the motion stage without issuing notice to the respondent number 6 as them would not cause any prejudice to the respondent number 6. Next paragraph. The petition having been filed at the 11th hour as the examination for class 10 and 12 is scheduled to be
17, Lordship.
from 17.
17.
17/02/2026.
Center change koribo last one.
And also considering
Change koribo.
the best interest of the students as well as if the decision of the CBSE to conduct the exam in the what is that?
Ekalabba Model Residential School, Dalbari.
No,
And then be Adalbari.
in between the no in Eclabia. Where is that admit card?
Administration. Yes,
Eclabia Model Residential School, Dalbari, Baksha. No, sorry. JNB Adalbari, Baksha. JNB Adalbari, Baksha, Assam is interpreted interfere with the same shall upset the entire process of examination, upset the entire schedule of the examination of class 10 and 12, which would not be interest of the students, comma. This writ petition, I'm of the view that writ petition is disposed of by providing with a direction to the respondents' authorities, particularly the principal.
Yes, respondent number 4, Lordship.
No, we'll say principal, and your school also will say, both the school. The principal of Eklavya Model Residential School, Dalbari, and JNB Adalbari Baksa to arrange buses for transportation of students during the examination of class 10 and 12.
Lordship, Eklavya.
Both, both of you have to arrange. Huh? The
Lordship.
petition is disposed of in terms of the.
All right, Lordship.
May I please to your lordship?
Yes, ready?
Lordship, in
We'll
this
refer
matter
it.
is not fit for mediation
Why?
because lordship, we are claiming salary and in their affidavit, they are reject the same. So
That's the reason, we're referring it to.
this
You
would
try
not
in a
settle,
mediation, what's there?
this would not settle in the mediation.
How do you preempt? How you prejudge, predetermine?
We're, our claim is already rejected by their affidavit.
That's the reason. It has not been rejected by this court.
So
It's open
kindly
to
matter may fix for admission-
determination, huh?
Matter may fix for admission instead of referring to mediation.
It's 2015 matter. 15 and 17, we'll refer, we'll try it. All right? Try it. If it fails, we'll
But
consider.
fix it on another day after tomorrow,
Why?
because Mr. A.K. Gupta is personally difficulty today.
The 2015 matter, we'll refer it and you try.
So fix it on day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, we'll be having a court. No one will be there to day after tomorrow.
Monday, let's say.
Yes, prayed for by learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
R.K. Mohanto.
R.K. Mohanto, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioners, who is stated to be indisposed. And while objecting to objecting for referring to mediation. What I say? Let this matter be listed on Monday, 12th, 16th. 02/2000.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your Lordship. As per instruction, petitioner is not keeping well, Lordship.
So,
If this matter may be referred to mediation, he may not be calm, Lordship.
what do you do? You are not interested.
Interested, Lordship, but he is not well, Lordship. If the matter is referred to mediation, he must be calm, Lordship, but in physical condition, he is unable to calm.
What is the grievance here? On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 4 weeks. 3 weeks, make it 3 weeks.
Sir, pension matter, my lord, I retired in 2018.
So it says,
My lord.
can you refer it?
No, the slim chances, but still we can try, my lord.
Ah,
The
and
college
Mr.
has not yet filed any
and
affidavit.
Mr. So-and-so, he did
My
not
lord,
learn.
only one thing, my lord. There seems to be a roadblock, my lord,
also,
otherwise I
Mr.
wouldn't have objected to.
BD
Here is a
Goswami-
case, my lord.
BD Goswami.
I'm a,
Try it.
no, my lord.
No,
let-
it is
let
only
me
for
just
reference.
explain the
They
stand
were
of the
not going
college,
to
my
hear
lord.
anything.
My lord, I'm representing the college. What is the hitch, my lord? My lord, we need to send the, for retired personnel, we need to send the pension papers to the higher education department. Here is a case where he has failed to give the utilization certificate for
That is
two
incorrect.
issues, my lord. Two issues, my lord. Well, my lord, I have got the instructions now. One is Rajiv Gandhi National
You are
Fellowship.
objecting to the reference,
My lord,
objecting that it should not be referred.
unless this is done and this is insisted by UGC authorities and he is not a party to this petition.
Then you tell us today this is listed for referral,
My lord,
not for
I think this
consideration on merit.
needs to be clear. My UGC has to be made a party. They are insisting. It is not our insistence. That utilization certificate for a farm is big money. 7 lakhs of rupees.
My lord,
Other
UGC,
things have been resolved.
my lord, UGC is not at all required to be a party. It is between the employer and the employee. My lord, when I retired in 2018,
And Mr. BD Goswami, please stop. It is submitted at the bar that the matter is not to be referred to, not fit to be referred for mediation. Accordingly, list the matter after 3 weeks
my lord,
So we'll
for for admission.
we'll
if
file
the
an
date
affidavit.
could be fixed, my lord.
3 weeks, you just give the date.
My lord, deeply obliged.
Not so.
Actually, this reference is basically for the interest of the litigants only.
My lord, my lord. But it's the
May
college-
may have some effect on the councils.
No, my lord. My lord, I had a.
No, not in particular case.
My lord.
Sir, not in this particular case. In general, I'm just
Yes, ma'am.
observing.
My lord.
I'm in general observation.
But if it's disposed of early, it's good for us, my lord.
Yes.
2021 matter. My lord. My lord. Deeply obliged.
Yes,
Your
ready? Can we refer it?
Your lordship, by the petitioner.
Okay.
Arrear salary that has been paid during the pendency of.
Heard, Mr.
I would like to bring it
Yeah.
on records.
Landed counsel for the petitioner. And MS so-and-so landed counsel for the petitioner. PDAS landed standing counsel, secondary education. It is submitted at the bar that the remains of the petitioner has already been redressed. Therefore, the writ petition, the matter has become infructuous in the above. Accordingly, you just record the memos. It could be stays closed as having been become infructuous or as infructuous.
It's been already been.
No dispute.
Once it is redressed, there is no dispute. Keep it yourself. What's it?
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
May I please? Your lordship, arrear salary matter, maybe send for mediation, your lordship.
Okay. Who is for the respondent? Who is for the respondent? We'll send it for mediation. Yes. Heard, Mr.
R.A. Mazumdar.
Learned counsel for the petition and MS PDAS learned standing counsel. Elementary, secondary education department for the respondents. Matter is listed for referral to mediation, on the consent of the learned counsel by the parties, on the consent of the parties, let this matter be referred to the mediation, referred for mediation. Mr. The who? MS. P. Papia Chakrabarti Learned Counsel is appointed as mediator. Parties to Learned Counsel parties to submit the furnish documents to the copy of the writ petitions. The copy of the writ petition and the parties to furnish the copy of furnish the relevant documents to the relevant papers to the learned mediator, huh? Then on 09, there's a already order is there, check it and list after 9th March, huh? List the matter after 9th March. Huh?
Obliged.
Admission item 7.
My lord, 2 weeks time may be given, my lord.
Why?
I was supposed to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit.
What is the matter?
Relating to, my lord, provincialization of service.
Huh?
Provincialization of service, your lordship.
We have filed our affidavit. Work.
Need we have objection, my lord. We have filed our affidavit in opposition long time back, my lord. In the year 2021. On the last occasion also, this honorable court directed them to file the reply, my lord. Within a week, my lord, but yet they have not filed, my lord. And the allegations are very serious, my lord. They have forged the document, my lord, and submitted that. Then I argued the matter, your lordship. I have the answer in my writ petition itself against the affidavit in opposition filed by my learned friend, your lordship.
Yes, what is the matter? You argue, will dispose of the matter. What's there? Yes. Your
Your-
case is that
Their
you
date
are
of,
senior to respondent 6 and 7.
yes,
7 and 8.
7 and 8, your lordship.
But then wrongly,
Wrongly,
their name has been sent for provincialized.
lord.
Have they been provincialized?
my,
Have you been provincialized?
no, lord.
Okay. Pending because of this.
Your lordship may
And
kindly
now,
come.
what they are saying is, thereafter headmaster has sent a letter
My lord.
that it was wrongly mentioned.
Yeah, exactly.
Otherwise, you are senior to them.
My lord.
Now they are saying that these documents, which is shown, your date of, appointment or engagement
My lord.
has been forced. So what do you say on that?
My lord, several litigation has been,
Huh?
there is several litigation.
Ah.
In nowhere, they have stated that my appointment was.
This is
forced.
this is third or fourth litigation.
Yes. Your lordship may kindly come to page 17, your lordship. This is the order of this honorable high court,
17.
page 17. My lord, petitioner number 1 and 2 herein, respondent number 7 and 8. They had filed a writ petition before this honorable court.
Petitioner?
Respondent number 7 and 8, they had filed a writ petition,
Yes.
and wherein I was the respondent number 8, your lordship.
Yes.
And here, some direction was issued by this honorable high court, and in compliance of the direction,
Mohar Ali. Yes.
in compliance of this direction, the respondent government authority has passed one speaking order, your lordship.
Today, Ripsir are
Yes,
permitted to give
19
reference of
into
this code
40.
and repetition level 6 will personal. The committee should then examine it by itself. Yes, then?
Then your lordship may kindly come to page 21.
Hmm.
Here, this is the reference WBC number 880/2013.
On the basis of this,
On the basis of that direction, this speaking order has been passed. Relevant part your lordship will find at page 25, your lordship. 25. I am reading the relevant portion, your lordship. Para number 3rd, as per his statement, that means as per statement of a headmaster, Akbar Ali, here in the respondent number 7, your lordship, Mehboob Ali and Amir Hussain is the respondent number 8, your lordship, are not the teachers of the school. During his period as inserts headmaster, these 3 persons had not attended in the school as he stated in course of hearing. Next paragraph. On perusal of the written statement of the petitioners and the respondents in WBC number so-and-so, and also on perusal documents available in the office and submitted by them, it is seen that the clear documents are found in favor of the following persons as genuine teachers of the Dubasari High School. These are the genuine teachers. Ahad Ali Sheikh, headmaster, Shah Alam, assistant teacher, Mahar Ali is the petitioner, your lordship. Here, their name is not found. Against this speaking order, your lordship, and since this speaking order was passed by an order where my learned friend filed the writ petition. And against
so
this,
these are only,
they have-
only the 11 persons.
my lord,
Their respondent, name of the respondent 6 and 7 and 8 is not here.
is not
It is
there,
not found to be here.
my lord.
So they file a writ petition.
No, against this, my lord, they had not filed any writ petition.
Then what happened?
Thereafter, my lord, your lordship will find. Page 29.
Your name is also there,
Yes, sir.
recommended by this
Yes.
order.
But recently, my lord, under the new act, your lordship, the proposal has been submitted wrongly in place of me. There is number 7 and 8 names are.
Where is that proposal?
Yes, your lordship. Page 32, your lordship.
32, yes.
Here, their date of joining was wrongly reflected.
Mohar Ali, your name is there.
Morally, but I have been found to be.
Why respondent number 6 and 7 are there? Here,
Yes, my lord.
7
They-
and 8.
They have
7
been,
and 8, yes.
they have been made senior to me.
Who are there?
Akbar Ali, respondent number 7. Akbar Ali, respondent number
Date
7.
of joining.
Date of
08
joining
10/2024.
8/10/2024.
And Sheikh Amir Hussain.
Amir Hussain, respondent number 8, your lordship.
Yes,
8/10/2024.
yes.
Much senior,
Ha.
as shown. And Mohar Ali, 23/6/2006. This was wrongly submitted by the headmaster.
How?
Then your lordship may kindly come to page.
So yours is, this is, there is no change, 23/6/2026. Date of joining.
My lord. Your lordship may kindly come to page 38, your lordship.
2006, sorry. Page?
Page 38. This is submitted letter by the headmaster.
Saying what? 38,
38, your lordship.
education and professional qualification of teachers.
My lord.
Akbar
Here-
Ali,
Serial number 2, Mohar Ali is the petitioner.
date of joining.
Date of joining. Here, serial number 4, Akbar Ali. That's number 7.
Signature of the headmaster. Who has done this?
This is the submitted by headmaster.
Yours too, it's, yours is also, this is 23/5/2016,
My
2006.
date of joining, date of appointment is correctly mentioned, but their date of joining and date of appointment wrongly mentioned, found to be senior to the petition.
So,
So here,
Your lordship will see at serial number 4, Akabor Ali. His
Hmm.
date of joining is 1/8/2010. 1/8/2010. This
Who
is,
has done this?
this is submitted by the headmaster.
How, where? How do we know that this has been submitted?
Signature of the headmaster.
Signature is there, but how do we know that? Recall the recommendation of teachers.
My lord, this is annexure 8, part of annexure 8, your lordship. Your lordship will
Annexure
see.
8.
Yes. Page 35 onwards. This is
Therefore, send back the recommendation.
my lord.
Director of so and so. This is by whom? Same person. Who is, he is a party here.
Yes, your lordship.
Headmaster is a party.
My lord.
Yes, my
Who
lord.
has sent this?
That's
Who is appearing for him? Are you appearing for headmaster? Who is for headmaster? Yes, then?
Here, the headmaster has stated that wrongly date of joining of the respondent number 7 and 8 was mentioned. So earlier one prayed for recall and he prayed to file a spread. Accordingly, this was submitted by the headmaster. And
But
the
it
same is
said,
not-
it said,
the same
teacher
is
said
not
you
been
are
considered.
erroneously in the format, it was mentioned date of joining of assistant teacher Mohar Ali 26/3/2000. Date of joining assistant say question 8/10/2000. Date of joining of assistant teacher Akbar Ali is 2000. Yes. As per the school record and resolution being a assistant but is senior to the second and Akbar Ali and therefore they still. Ha. Then
This is kept pending by the authority concerned.
so no action.
My lord.
Then
My lord,
you file a representation.
then I have come before your lord.
Yes. Then
So
My lord, I am for respondent number 7, my lord.
no, we'd like to hear the state first. What is your stand? The headmaster is under you.
No,
As-
Your Lordship.
School is not your school.
Your Lordship, only we can appear for
No. What do you say about the headmaster, this new proposal?
in this case, my lord.
What is your stand, madam?
Your Lordship, that is respondent number.
What is your stand?
Your Lordship, I would like to take you to our affidavit in opposition, which we have filed on 10 December 2025. I would like to take you to 191, paragraph 5.
This filed by respondent number 2.
Yes. We have. Second.
Yes. Para?
Paragraph 5
Ah.
onward. Like to read it, Your Lordship. That the answering deponent humbly begs to state that the headmaster of Dabachuri High School, District Dhubri, submitted continuation page 192. The particulars of the school as well as particulars of teaching and non-teaching staff as per prescribed format as per the Assam Education Provincialization of Service of Teachers and Reorganization of Educational Institution Act, which was amended as 2018. The name of the petitioner, that is the present petitioner, Your Lordship, Mohar Ali, as well as respondent number 7, Akbar Ali, and respondent number 8, that is Sheikh Amir Hussain, who also reflected in the list of the working teachers. The service of eligible teaching and non-teaching.
All of them are there.
Yes, Your
Then
Lordship.
come to
Already-
para 6.
Yes, Your Lordship. The service of eligible teaching and non-teaching staff of
That is-
Dabasuri High School,
it is-
provincialized, which is provincialized on dated 1/1/2021, wide order dated so-and-so, 4/2/2021. 2 posts of assistant teachers were kept vacant.
It's
due
okay,
to-
no issue. Issue is
due
not
to
that.
pendency.
Issue is how they.
Thereafter, Your Lordship, one inspector of school DDC Dhubri, while later dated so-and-so, while submitting the report as per record available in the office of the resolution number 1, They have already annexed it, your lordship. The private respondent already annexed the resolution number 1 adopted on 25, 2006. Seems to be fake and tampered. So your lordship, 193, your lordship. And it was adopted for engagement of the petitioner. The resolution was taken, your lordship, SMDC of the school was stated to be adopted for engagement of the petitioner. That is the Mohar Ali. The answering paragraph 8, your lordship, that answering deponent humbly begs to state that moreover, on verification of the attendance register of the school, the name of the present writ petitioner, that is Mohar Ali, is not found from January 2021 to December 2021, which clearly states that the petitioner Mohar Ali did not attend the school.
It's okay,
during
it's not
the
an
year.
issue. Madam, it's not an issue. Issue is whether who is senior as per the records. He has shown that the headmaster has resubmitted, saying that wrongly or erroneously, these two persons were shown to be senior in the earlier submission, list. Now he has, headmaster has, as per the records, this petitioner is senior.
As part of
That is
the
the crux. What is right, what is wrong? Now, what is Annexure 2?
it was your lordship, that meeting already held, your lordship, that is
Annexure
25.
2, page 197, please come. What is this? What you have annexed?
I would like to bring the records on the next date itself, your lordship.
Madam, tell us what is 197, page 197.
It was the letter from inspector of school, your lordship.
Then what you have, why you have annexed?
Your
For
lordship.
what purpose you have annexed this? This is submission of Pereira's comments in connection with WPC so and so. Why you have annexed? Whereas you said in your para 6, what you have said?
Fit and file the fresh one, your lordship.
It's not readily. As per record available in the office, the resolution number 1 adopted in the meeting held on 26 seems to be fake and tempered. Where is this resolution? Where is this resolution?
They have already annexed it, your lordship.
Why you
the
have not
resolution.
annexed? Why you have annexed this annexure 2? This is a cover letter.
Your lordship.
Covering letter. Sending you a para-wise comment. Why you have annexed it? You should have annexed this resolution. So casual. Carelessness. You have said something in the body, annexing some documents, and you are annexing something different.
And my lord, interestingly, they are totally silent about the speaking order passed by the inspector of school DDC Duburi.
Huh?
They are totally silent about the speaking order which was passed in compliance of the direction of this High Court.
But your name is not there in that case.
My lord,
Your name is shown there.
yeah, my lord, yes. And their name has been found.
Where is this resolution? 17/11/2020.
Page 91, your lordship.
91. Nice. 91 is something different.
Your lordship, resolution 1, your lordship, which we have already mentioned in the body, your lordship.
Which page?
Page 91.
91 is the court's order.
Yes, your lord.
Your lordship, that was filed by respondent number 7. Translated copy of relation portion your lordship, the resolution one. Please meeting of words.
Okay. 92. Today on 2026.
Lordship, that is annexure 4, but type copy resolution already mentioned in annexure 4, your lordship, page 91. Today's
91.
meeting. Yes, your lordship.
With reference to subject matter, I have the honor to state that I have joined in your resolution since this is 91 is something different. Relevant translated copy. Today on 2005. 20.
25, 2006.
Yes.
Resolution number 1.
Hmm.
Today's meeting, I would like to read it. Today's meeting has taken addition after various discussion with a view not to pollute the educational environment of the school, and on perusal of a complaint of the students, the teacher of the said school gave a promise in written before the managing committee of the school, stating that after this, if they will absent, teachers will absent in classes of the school, and then they will accept any decision whatever would be taken by the managing committee of the school. But once Safur Rahman, an assistant teacher of the said school, has been serving in the department of ICDP, Government of Assam, in the post of peon at the Mahamaya Development Block since September 2008, and after getting appointment in the said post, he has been discharging his duties till date. Hence, since September 2008, the said post of the assistant teacher has been lying vacant till date. Therefore, today's meeting has requested the IC headmaster cum secretary Ahad Ali Sheikh of Dabachuri High School with a donation of 15,500 to appoint Mohar Ali, son of Omar Ali of village PO Borkananda in the district of Dhubri, Assam, in the said vacant post of the assistant teacher at the Dabachuri High School, and thus the resolution has been taken unanimously.
So
So
What
this
is wrong, my lord? Morally is.
just wait. What does it mean? Madam, what does it mean?
Your lordship, as per your lordship, rendering of the service, your lordship, at least 6 years of continuous service is needed, your lordship, as per the amended act. That
Why
is
you are
on
jumping from here to there, madam?
page act, your lordship. Page
I'm
150.
asking something to you. Please reply that.
This resolution was adopted in the year 2006, your lordship.
This resolution was fraudulently taken, your lordship. Your lordship, the date they have mentioned it, your lordship. 24.
You are saying that this is a forged documents.
Originally.
Are you saying it's a forged documents?
Originally, your lordship, 24/5/2006, that is Wednesday, your lordship. I'd like to bring the original records, your lordship.
When facts are not clear, what is the question of yes, what is your appointment? Appointment order, initial
Yes, my
appointment.
lord. In my writ petition, your lordship. At page 14, your lordship,
14.
my lord. Page 14. Mohar Ali. In
Suspension managing committees
meeting
held on
on
20/05/2026. You are hereby
Resolution
appointed
number
assistant teacher. This was the resolution, page 91.
my
On
lord,
the basis of the resolution.
my lord. In pursuance of that resolution, this appointment letter was issued.
Yes, then where is your appointment? Respondent 7 and 8.
Oh,
Initial appointment. I mean,
my lord, my date of appointment was 1st of August 2010, my lord,
2010.
2010.
Then better ends there. He was appointed in 2006.
Appointment was fake, my lord. That is why I am submitting before your lordship.
How?
My lord, kindly have a look at page, my lord, 59, my lord, of my affidavit, my lord. Page 59, my lord.
'59, original.
Yes, my lord, this is the original one, my lord.
No,
This is the type
original
copy, my
page-
lord.
Original,
The it is
original
written in
page-
vernacular, my lord. Original is page 62, my lord. Vernacular one.
advertisement. 60, 59.
Page 62, my lord. This is the resolution, my lord.
'62.
To my lord.
Huh.
And my lord, kindly have a look at page 92, my lord.
62, I have not seen it. 62 is something
65.
else.
62 is order, one order.
Not even the order.
That's on number 7. Registration is, I think,
Your order, page 62. This is 105.
My lord,
Your pagination and this court's copy is not, it doesn't tally.
in my copy, my lord, 62 is
50, it should
one
be
order.
59, my lord.
Yes,
35,
62.
2007.
That is 105. That is 105. Maybe in your copy it's 62.
My lord, at the time of
Okay,
filing.
see,
filing this-
62. What do you want to say? 62?
No, no, where it's clearly written, my lord.
The action taken, managing so and so, upgrading Sri Abdul Majid so and so, approved science teacher, BSc role to postal and Aman Ali Sheikh, Master of Jesu. It is hereby elected. Aman Ali SK, suspending teacher to hand over the charge as well as the. What do you want to say here?
The original resolution, my lord, I have annexed, my lord.
This order is the original resolution.
Resolution dated, well, it is at page 59, my lord. The page 59 is the type copy, my lord, and the vernacular one is at 62, my lord.
I don't understand. Just so. There's a this has been corrected, na? There must be on this. Let them. Why don't you get the compare with the court's copy and get your this thing pagination corrected?
But, my lord, I think.
It has not been disposed of. Subsequently, it's still pending. We're considering the matter. You must be referring to the black one, no? Bold one. Page number bold one. I mean, which is
No, this is not, my lord. This is
new one is in by the blue one.
not one, yes.
Sir, you compare with your your petition and that court's record.
Mhm. 59.
There are two pagination.
Yes, yes.
One is black ink, other one is blue.
Hmm.
So you must be having that
My
black
lord,
ink.
It is. I love this one.
This is which page?
60. Lord, page number is some different, my lord. It's the thing.
I'm
It
asking,
is-
that's why I'm saying, in your
I found this, my lord, in the record. It is 20, my lord.
20
Blacking is 20.
plaguing,
it's internal page number of the affidavit in.
At the time of filing of the petition, this affidavit, my lord, it was numbered from 1 to 1 and onwards, my lord.
He's referring to this document.
Subsequently numbered. That is.
so you say, no, you said it's Page number 62,
62.
huh? This is page 63.
Page number maybe, my lord. But this is the document, my lord.
How do you know this? What is this? Has it been translated?
My lord, this is the vernacular and the translated one is, my lord, 2 pages earlier, my lord. And it should be 60, my lord.
60?
Exactly, my lord.
You tell us your original, the page number,
Original one is 17.
17.
17.
Yes.
My lord,
Yes.
here it is written that today on 24/5/2006, Wednesday, at about 2 p.m., an executive meeting has been held, my lord. My lord, the date is 24/5/2006, my lord. This is the original one, my lord. And the vernacular, it is written, my lord, in the, if we see the vernacular one, my lord, it is written 24/5. But they have, my lord, forced this to resolution, my lord. And they have written, override it, and make it, my lord, 25/2006, only to show their appointment on 25/2006, my lord. And my lord, as per date, my lord, 24/5/06, on that day, it was Wednesday, my lord. But they have forced the document, my lord, by correcting the date, my lord, but they could not correct the, my lord, the day, my lord. If the date of appointment is 25/2006, my lord, it would be Saturday, my
Is
lord.
the content same?
Yes. Yes,
Contents?
but other contents are same. And the next page also, my lord, it was inserted, my lord. Subsequent page, my lord, that is also newly
Contents are
inserted by
also-
the
Are you
petitioner.
sure contents
Yes,
are
yes,
same?
my lord. Other contents are not same, my lord.
Huh?
Only the first page are same, but the subsequent page they have manipulated.
Where on resolution number 211? Is it same?
Same, my lord.
Are you sure?
Yes, my lord. And I have annexed their writ petition, my lord.
You
They
read
have
this-
earlier they have filed a writ petition, my lord.
You read
6494.
this proposal number 1 and the resolution you are claiming to be fake one is what? Page number?
Page number 50.
50. Your
My 50.
you're 50.
Yes, my lord.
You're 50.
Yes, my lord. Back one.
What is this translated one?
At page 90, at 49, my lord.
Which they are claiming?
My lord, submit, this is the annex.
So you are saying that this page 49 is a fake one
Yes, my lord.
and originally was on 24/5/2006.
This is the fake one.
And the resolution, the contents of the resolution was the same.
And the second page, my lord, if we see
I'm asking, sir.
yes, my lord.
I don't know why they are getting to it there. Am I audible
Yes, my lord.
or am I clear?
Clear, my lord.
I'm asking whether the page 49, the contents of the page 49, forget about, I mean, for a time being, forget about the difference in that. 49 and page 17 are same. So far as the resolution one is concerned.
My lord, the contents of the first page of the resolution, my lord, the date they have manipulated, my lord. The contents of the first page of the resolution are the same, my lord.
Are you sure? Read it. If it's not same, we'll reject your submission. You have not read it.
I have read it.
Different.
Completely different. Contents also not different. I have read page 49. Of course, I have not read page 17, which you are relying. Which you are relying. Though I have not read, just a cursory glance, it's completely different.
My lord, the translated copy of the subsequent, which is forced one, my lord. Which is
I'm
forced one, my
asking
lord.
whether the resolution, contents of the resolution, body of the resolution are same or different. Huh?
Different, my lord.
Just because I'm just, then why you were all along I was asking, you said contents are same?
My lord,
How it is different?
different, my lord, because the. My lord, it is written in the vernacular, my lord. Vernacular one, but
Where
in the
is that?
translated, my lord, in the translated could be, my lord, it is
Have
not
you filed
written
any
completely,
complaint
my lord.
regarding the, when you came to know that this has been forced?
No, at no.
Any criminal complaint has been filed?
My lord.
Huh.
My lord,
And
here.
number two,
Yes,
number
my lord.
two, what
Annexure-
happened to this?
Annexure C, my
What
lord.
happened to your complaint? Anything? Any progress with the status?
Subsequent-
Number two, whether pursuance of the earlier court's order, where your name is not found, did you do anything?
My lord, earlier, that is why, my lord, I have
Have you
stated in my
challenged that?
paragraph number
Have you
5, my
challenged
lord.
that?
My lord, I have
Have
stated.
you
in my-
challenged where your name is not been found?
No, that was not challenged, but my lord, when I have submitted everything before the district
Forget
scrutiny
about
committee.
this. Now, what about the resubmission of the headmaster? Is it also fake?
My lord, my date,
The headmaster of the school has resubmitted a list where his name has been given, saying that he is senior to you.
no, my lord,
And they're silent about this.
according, my lord, as per record, my lord, his appointment is shown on 2025-2006, my lord. And that is based on false document, my lord. So he was not appointed, my lord.
Unless it is proved, you're saying will not do. That's why that's the reason I've asked you what happened to your complaint. You made a complaint,
Yet,
maybe afterthought,
no more.
maybe afterthought. What is the status of that complaint? You just slept over it, only to show that I have filed a complaint. You are not bothered. Complaint will not enough. When the headmaster said that these are his date of appointment, he is senior to you, what more you want? We are allowing the writ petition.
My lord, paragraph number 5, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Huh?
May I read, my lord?
Saying what?
Paragraph number 5 of my affidavit, my lord.
Hmm.
I have stated everything there, my lord.
What everything? You tell us. Don't read. No time. This
My lord-
voluminous file,
my
if
lord, at the
everyone
time-
is there,
my lord,
see,
Yes, my lord.
this voluminous file, if everyone is started reading page to page, it will 100 years to finish the case. So,
My lord,
you tell us what is your ground. I have understood what is your ground. You are saying that this is the appointment order or the resolution has been forced and it's a fake appointment order. And for that you have filed the complaint FIR.
It has filed.
Whatever. They have filed it and you don't know, you didn't bother to pursue the case, what had happened. See, unless it is proved that this is a fact and you are not bothered to pursue the case which you have filed or the response number 8, we cannot do anything. And number two, when the headmaster has written a letter to the director that it was wrong, his appointment is this, we'll go by that.
My name is.
At
also
the
there in
time,
the letter.
by the time the criminal case is, I mean, if it is proved that this fake he was a fake, you'll take the consequences will follow. Until the time it is proved that this is a fake, we cannot rely on it.
My lord, exactly, lord. My lord, one thing.
Just wait.
My lord, I have stated in my paragraph number 5, my lord.
Saying
that
what?
At the time of when the district scrutiny committee meeting was held, my lord. At that point of time, the
I don't
earlier.
know. We're not here to, I mean, think which is correct and which is not
On the
correct.
basis of that, they are paying, on the basis of that, actually, order, my lord, they are paying now. They have approved
See,
this court on the basis
reason
of
is
that
there,
order.
earlier you filed a case,
Yes, my lord.
right? And court has wrongly or rightly directed to consider your case and you are not found to be in the name of the school and you are not entitled to be provincialized, right?
At that point of time, my lord.
We don't know.
Yes, my lord, my lord,
When it
I'm
wa-
telling the fact, my lord. At that point of time, my lord, the earlier headmaster was suspended, my lord, at that point of time. And at that point of time, my lord, the
Now you
present
are-
petitioner in connivance with the subsequent headmaster, that is.
Have you?
Yes, my lord.
Have
They
you,
have actually concealed the original documents.
sir, have you challenged that order wrongly or rightly? It was pursuant to the order of this court, the director, who has decided, the director.
My lord.
Director had decided, has passed a speaking order saying that you are not there, only he is there. You have not challenged that. It has attained finality. Then the headmaster has sent a letter that the earlier list where your name is there, it was erroneous because you are junior to him. Therefore, his case should also be considered. That also you are not challenging. You kept quiet.
Because my name is there, my lord, in the final list, my lord. That is what-
Final list, but then you are in the you are junior, so you will not be entitled as per the final list.
They have
On the basis of the date of appointment, on the seniority, I will direct them to provincialized.
My
All
my
right?
lord, my question is that, my lord, their very appointment is first one, my lord.
We don't know.
But why they are
Show us that
Challenging the
it is a
speaker.
closed one. Yes, respond number 8.
Then one thing, my lord.
I have heard
will
you enough.
clarify, my lord.
Huh?
I will clarify your lordship, my lord. on
What?
that, my lord. Regarding this, my lord.
But yeah, clarify.
My lord, regarding that criminal petition, FIR, my lord, we have filed, my lord. And the other thing, my lord, what we have actually submitted before the district scrutiny committee subsequently, because at that point of time, there was anomalies, my lord.
What is the stage now? In the before the authority.
But we have filed the FIR, my lord, the
No,
subsequent
no,
development. I
that you
not know,
don't
my
know.
lord.
Thereafter, you don't know. But now, what is the position in the department?
Department, my lord, as per my lord, affidavit filed by the state, my lord, they have forged the document, my lord.
No. They
Yes,
said
my
it
lord, it is
appears.
there, my lord, in the
They
affidavit,
said
my
it
lord.
appears to be forced. That means what? Now they are not rejecting their the submission of the thing.
The document is on the basis of which the appointment is shown, my lord.
Sorry.
Then, my lord,
Your Lordship, I would like to file the additional affidavit, Your Lordship, stating that clear, Your Lordship, is status, Your Lordship, whether the records has been forged or not, Your Lordship, bringing it on the records, Your Lordship. Both the records, Your Lordship, the earlier.
How do we decide? How the department will decide that this is forged or not?
Exactly, your lordship.
Yes. No, you can submit many things. Why only one?
Regarding state resolution. Say it is registered by my instructor, it is under my responsibility. So may I take the
When did you file the FIR?
FIR was sent on 25/2019.
19. So it's still under investigation. Still.
May I take the present status of the fire? My learned friend.
Your Lordship, I would like to file the additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
Saying what?
Your Lordship, we're taking that resolution, Your Lordship, bringing it on records, Your Lordship.
You produce the record. You produce the record. We'll see, would like to see the record because there is an allegation of forgery. Right?
My lord,
In the meantime, you may reply to their affidavit.
my lord, one thing, if we go through the.
Heard
stating
Mr.
order-
So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. After hearing the matter at some length, it is noticed that there is a allegation of forgery and allegation of forgery and fake as regards the appointment, initial appointment of No, it regards the resolution taken by the managing committee dated 23/04, 3/05/2006. Pursuant to which, by this resolution only you have been appointed.
My lord.
You are appointed. Pursuant to which the petitioner appears to have been appointed. List of the respondents strenuously urge that the appointment of the petitioner is the resolution and the appointment of the petitioner is forced, for which they have for which the petitioner respondent number 8 has filed an FIR in the year 2019, which is stated to be pending till today. List of the affidavit filed by the state respondents does not disclose anything except to say that as per the report of the inspector of school, the resolution seems to be fake and tempered. And as per the inspector of school, the resolution adopted in the meeting held on 20/05/2006 seems to fake and tempered. I don't know which way we should go. He is relying on the resolution. I mean, relying on the resolution of 23/05. They are relying on 20. That is difference. So which one seems to be fake and forged and
Which one
fake
is
and
fake?
tempered?
Tempered.
20 or 23? No, I'm asking.
20 is tempered, madam.
20 is tempered.
20 is tempered.
Huh?
Yes, madam.
Then you are out.
20 is tempered.
It should be 23. Yours, not 24. 23. 23. So, it's okay. Considering above,
Entire
for the
record.
better determine for proper adjudication of the matter,
Entire record.
I deem it appropriate. No, I deem it appropriate to allow the state respondents to file additional affidavit and also produce the original record. Original record.
I would like to file one additional
The-
affidavit, Your
That's
Lordship.
why I've said so.
Your Lordship.
That's why I don't know. All of you, can you hear me here?
Yes,
I say many words, you don't, I mean, you say something on your own, as if there's no communication. I mean, is there any
no, Your Lordship.
problem in communication?
No.
No.
I can hear you, I can understand very well, and I mean, clearly understand, but then it appears that most of the lawyers doesn't understand what I try to say. If you have no clarity, let me know, please. I'm also a human being. And who hails from a, I mean, very remote village. The learned counsel for the respondents are also directed to place on record the status of the FIR which they have claimed to have, filed in the year 2019. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. 2 weeks or 3 weeks? 3 weeks for further consideration. The respondent may, the petitioner, land council petitioner may also file the reply affidavit to the affidavit of opposition filed by the respondents.
My lord, the matter may be part heard.
Huh?
It's part heard.
If I keep it part, I'll dismiss the writ petition.
Even then, your lordship.
Yes.
Oblige, your lordship.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, my lord, affidavit is ready, my lord. I have to send it for waiting, so one.
What is the
time may be
matter?
allowed.
Matters, lordship, petitioner is entitled, lordship, revision of pay, lordship, as per fitment table 109, but.
Okay,
still,
then,
lordship, they are
in
giving
that
one
case, I think affidavit will be required.
affidavit is required.
Fitment.
Fitment table.
Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel
Lordship,
for
there,
the petitioner.
for many occasions.
On the
they have
prayer of
taken-
Mr. MS N. Phukan. N. Phukan.
Yes, ma'am.
N.
Yes, ma'am.
N for Nagaland. Nagaland Phukan. N. Phukan learned standing council. Which elementary education. Further 2 weeks time is granted.
Date will
File
be given.
affidavit in office.
Date may be given.
Why?
Lordship, on many occasions, they have taken time, lordship. Since September, lordship, they are taking time.
You just check out item number 1. Item
Lordship.
number 1.
I understand, lordship, long technique. But lordship.
I'll show you
keep-
2012 matter also.
Lordship,
Okay.
let them at 3 weeks.
Well,
I have
then
no
fine.
problem, but date may be, otherwise, lordship, it's very difficult to get it fixed there.
No, you make a mention, we'll get it. At least this court will allow to listing. Maybe not immediately, after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we will allow.
A date may be given.
Then 3 weeks,
Date.
2 weeks, huh?
Madam.
List the matter as agreed to by parties, land council for the parties list on 11.
Lordship, oblige.
My lord, last proposal, my lord, they were directed to obtain instruction, my lord.
Ah.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing in this matter both in 9 and 10, my lord.
Hmm.
And my lord,
Can page the last order, my lord.
we have received instruction, my lord, but that's not adequate, my lord.
That's the
Therefore-
same submission you have made
My lord, we need.
on 9/1.
Some more time.
What is the issue?
Issue, my lord, pertains to my lord, non-payment of arrears salary, my lord. Have a petitioner is appointed in the post, my lord, that school was amalgamated, he had to join the office of the Board of Limited Education Office, my lord. There, he was attached, my lord, and he had served there, my lord. Subsequently, he was again deposted, my lord.
Now you are getting the
Current salary I'm getting.
current salary.
Yes, my lord.
I think somewhere I have seen, there's no affidavit.
We'll be filing an affidavit, my lord,
No, whether in between,
10 days, my lord.
initially the appointment is not the issue. There's no dispute to
No,
the
no,
appointment.
nothing.
Only the salary.
Yes, ma'am.
Area salary
Yes, ma'am.
for particular
Yes, yes, ma'am.
period,
Yes, ma'am.
where you have not been, where you have not served.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
When you have not served, where's the question of
No, my
salary?
lord, we have attached to
You
the,
are- See, you are appointed,
yes, ma'am.
but then according to you, you are attested,
Yes, ma'am.
attest,
Yes, ma'am.
you are attest according to you.
Yes, yes.
They said that it could not be, you could not be allowed to serve. And ultimately, when you were posted
Yes.
in a particular, this present
Yes, ma'am.
place of posting
Okay.
or the department,
Yes, ma'am.
you are being paid.
No, my lord, but for that period, my lord, that order, the earlier appointment was by that same authority, my lord. And if
Heard
the-
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. A. Fukar, again Fredford, standing on elementary education, again Fredford for the 2 weeks time to obtain instruction. Is the instruction which he receives is incomplete. You just find out whether they have been attached and allowed to serve. If they have served, you have to pay. If they have not served, clear cut instruction.
Yes,
Definitely, I know that you will say that they have just been attached, they have not been allowed to work, they didn't work.
I'll
They
get the,
did not come to the, they did not join the duty, they were not allowed to work. Definitely, you will say so. But once it is attached, whether it is a work or not, you have to pay.
I'll get my instruction.
This is the matter after 2 weeks.
my lord.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, may pray for a date. My lord. Obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Madam, this matter relating to compassionate appointment. DLC recommended, but SLC rejected on the ground that my father had not minimum 3 years balance service period. My lord, that particular clause in the OM has already been set aside by this honorable court lordship by the learned single judge. And subsequently, appeal was filed by the state. And that part lordship, struck down part has been maintained by the division bench lordship. Now at this stage, there is no bar. So SLC may consider lordship that direction may be.
Now, the problem is, it has been done away. There is no saving clause in the office memorandum. What is that, 9/2024? Is it a case of, from which place?
My lord, I could not understand.
Which department?
My lord, this is education department, lordship.
Huh?
Education department.
Not from sixth schedule area?
No, no, no.
Yeah. Now, there is a subsequent development.
Yes, subsequent development. The
Then-
division bench has upheld the direction order of the lordship single judge. So
No,
far
no, I'm not on that. That is on merit. The government has issued an
OM,
OM.
that is 18/9
18/9,
24.
Yes.
Lordship, to that effect, this honorable court lordship has already lordship has passed some orders, lordship. Your lordship has also passed after that order.
No, tell us, what is this order?
My lord, without considering that aspect, lordship, because this is the claim, lordship, pertaining to pertaining before that OM lordship.
Therefore, you may be correct. Therefore, you have to file a fresh petition challenging that to pass that order.
My lord, in fact, lordship, some.
When did you file this
My
application?
lord, this. This
When did you file the writ
Yes, your
petition?
lordship, this was filed
12th day of
12th
August.
before that, before that. Because that OM was 24 September 2024. And my case was prior to that.
We cannot direct now because that OM has not been interfered with. Where it has, it says that they done away with all the schemes and all, because you will be,
My submission,
because compulsory, it's not a matter of right. It's a compulsory appointment.
that is.
There
my
are other legal issues also. The immediacy and other thing, whether really you are in penury and all those things. As a matter of right, it's not. It's as a compulsory appointment. All right.
my lord,
Therefore,
lordship,
I have allowed 2-3 writ petition to withdraw with a liberty to file. You may take all this ground again, apart from that, but basic thing is to direct them to consider in view of this thing. You will have to challenge that.
yes, I have also brought your lordship's order also. My lord,
So unless it is challenged,
I have understood your lordship observation.
and in fact, I have allowed to withdraw 3-4 writ petitions.
My lord,
Same like this.
I have understood your lordship. My
If you have understood nothing there,
no, my humble submission will be that, lordship. Since this honorable court lordship has already held that without observing that OM. It will be a sub- Right. Para
Hmm.
8, your lordship may kindly see this, that judgment, lordship.
Where is this?
Para 8. Yes, very true, Chairman. My lord, although that OM was under silence in those repetition, this honorable court lordship did not interfere with that. And after that lordship, some direction has been issued without interfering that OM. Wait, 7.
2022.
Yes, what do you say?
7, 8. In my instructions, your lordship.
What instruction is this? A compulsion, only a direction is to be given to consider.
No, consider, SLC has already considered. You are against that only.
Yes, yes.
Considered and rejected. It's not a
Rejected on the
case of
ground that,
non-
only on that ground that.
No,
my father had-
the case which I have disposed of, this court has disposed of is rejected by the DLC.
Yes, in my
Here
case,
your SLC.
my case, SLC.
SLC
On
has
the ground
rejected
that
matter
my
and
father
said-
had no 3 years balance period.
Where is this?
My
Where
lord.
is that?
SLC rejection lordship page 33 and relevant page 53.
Your name?
My lord, Abdul Alim, last one in the table.
Abdul?
Right side, the committee has deferred the claim of the candidate as the remaining service period of the.
Unus Ali.
This is gone.
So and so, yes,
Name of Abdul Alim.
Abdul Alim, lordship.
Claim of being is deferred. The claim of the petitioner is the remaining service of this.
Only 1 year, 9 months, 7 days were left for retirement.
Deferred, it has been deferred, not rejected.
Deferred, lordship, your lordship, kindly see the ground given in that. So ultimately, this is, although the word deferred has been used, but it has been rejected.
Then how you cannot say that it has been deferred in view of the subsequent developments, I mean subsequent decision of the court,
Well, lord.
they may reconsider it. You approach the authority.
If your lordship made observation on that, lordship, I'll place no problem. Because this was because after this lordship decision, the subsequent development has taken place.
After this,
Yes, no,
because it has been deferred. You find out, obtain instruction. Have you filed a petition? I mean affidavit. Let him obtain instruction. It's not exactly the same thing because there was a case. This was a case which this court has disposed of,
yes, sir.
rejected by DLC,
Man,
and it was pending, right?
man,
Then we direct him to consider as per his, and then the government lawyer had they said it's covered case,
Hmm.
right? So we find that it's covered. Now, so yours is something different.
No,
Your
but
is
yes, sir.
deferred by the SCC. But how do
But deferred
how
is
do how
amounts to
no
rejection.
at this stage, how do they'll appoint you on compulsory ground?
My lord, they are,
Yes, there was a batch of writ petitions. I mean, so many cases, the government was supposed to consider and decide in terms of these directions. What had happened? You take the instruction also. Heard Mr. M. Khan, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Matter pertains to claim for compulsory appointment. Under the scheme oblique policy of the state government, which has been done away by office memorandum dated 18/9/2024. The committee, the state level committee, the challenge is to the order of the state level committee whereby the claim of the petitioner has been has been rejected on the ground that the father of the late father of the petitioner who had died in earnest had did not have the 3 years
less than.
service. Accordingly, the matter appears to have been deferred. In view of Mr. M.S. Esterang, London State Council, Standing Council, Secondary Education, to obtain instruction as regards the status of the compulsory appointment, including the petitioner. No, as regards the concerned appointment, compulsory appointments, all the compulsory appointment in terms of the direction passed by this court in various writ petitions. List of the Learned Council Standing Order is also directed to clarify on the next date as to whether the cases pending, cases for compulsory appointment pending before the authorities before the issuance of office memorandum dated 18/9/2000 are being considered or not? Are being considered or not?
Date may be-
This the matter after 3 weeks.
Item 13 and 14.
May I please, your lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the.
Why?
Because my senior legs.
What is the matter? Tell us.
Pertain to non.
No affidavit. Yes, madam.
Matters pertain to non-payment of arrears salary.
Area salary. Yes, we need to know why they have not been paid. Why you have not been paid. So we'll grant them a time to file affidavit. It's 2025. Yes, who is appearing? Finance. Secondary education.
Lordship,
Are you not?
PP Doctor will be appearing, your lordship. I'm
So
paying
we
your lordship.
should wait for him. Should we wait for him?
Your lordship, kindly pass over the matter for
No.
time being.
When you have not said done anything, we'll grant you time. Heard MS so-and-so Learned Counsel for the petitioners. MSP Das, only prayer of MSP Das Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Bless your lordship.
Item 15.
Here, your lordship, we needed to file our affidavit in opposition. Kindly grant us 3 weeks time.
So-and-so Learned Counsel for the
Please,
petitioner.
time is more, lordship.
On the prayer of MSP Das, Standing Council Secondary Education.
Second,
Further 3 weeks time is granted to
2
file
weeks time maybe.
affidavit in opposition.
My
It's
sir.
after 3 weeks. Are you, sir, you are here? Okay. Mr. B. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel for respondent is present. You are not to do anything much. Okay. Why? Record is are present in that case. Will we able to come to the hearing list?
Subsequent response if addition item 27.
My lord, the process is going on, my lord, in fortnight. I've received copy of the.
No. 37.
When-
You are in? 38. Yours is 38.
Yes, my lord. So,
37.
Non appears for the petitioner on call. B. Deary. Who is B. Deary? Who is for the respondent? Why are you keeping silent?
Seven. 37. Please, nine, please, nine. Well, no. Well, I'm not moving to come, but video appear person. You can look it up. Now, John, you can limit it.
File an affidavit. Non appears for the petitioner. On call. MS K. Fukan,
4, 5, and 7.
then State Council. Submits that he has received the instruction. For which he would like to bring on record by web affidavit. Therefore, praise for 3 weeks time. 3 weeks time. Mr. A. Fukan. And the elementary education. Extending the elementary education is present. You have not filed affidavit. You have.
File.
Praise the Lord. List after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the respondents may file their affidavit.
Item 19. 20.
Pilot.
আধা পাবা আছে তো দিয়া নাই পুরা দিয়া নাই
কিমান পাব আছে?
Yes, you have already received.
My lord, I have received rupees 8,65,000, but they did not make the payment as per the order of the honorable court. Board director.
How much you have received?
My lord, they have given me half of the amount. My
Where
lord,
is the direction?
My lord, that I have got a copy from them, my lord.
Where is the direction?
Direction in the contempt petition, my lord.
Page?
Just a minute. Yes, my lord. Yes, annexure A. It is admin at page 13 of the contempt petition, my lord.
They would be approved the actions by regulation.
My lord, the para 2, in this petition, the petitioner is claiming for regularization her service and to pay her regular salary as well as area salary from the period of 24/10/2007 till today. However, the claims of petitioner have been registered by the authorities by claiming that the petitioner was initially appointed as a graduate teacher in Boitalangshu Higher Secondary School, Difu, on a work basis for a period of 4 months, and against a transfer vacancy. Higher order that was 7488, and thereafter she was transferred to Kotara High School, Nalbari. Higher order that 27/1/2005, as mentioned in the affidavit in opposition, filed by the Director of Secondary Education. But the headmaster of the Kotara High School did not allow her to join the school. Thereafter, then the Inspector of Schools, Nalbari, attached her in Raskotam, Kodam, Tol, Balika Vidyapith High School.
Where are you reading?
My lord,
Where are you reading?
now she is, my lord, first,
Why first page?
the best.
Last page, page 30.
Page 30. Then, who
Page-
directed to pay the salary from the date of, that is from 2007,
Where it is?
last page of the judgment, my lord.
Date of receipt of certificate, and if the service of petition regular is adjusted, consequential benefits along with senior scale of pay also be given to her as per law.
Yes,
Where does it say that from 2007?
my lord, now they are taking.
How you have calculated?
Now, let them show, my lord, why they have not given for.
No, in the contempt proceeding, we cannot. We'll
No,
have
but-
to, we'll have to show there is a deliberate
No.
or willful violation.
My lord,
You have accepted the amount, sir. You may, if you are disputing the entitlement,
my lord,
you may approach again.
then that order may be kindly passed.
Huh?
That-
No, in contempt petition, we
No,
cannot.
no,
In
no,
contempt
because-
petition, whether we have to see
No, lordship,
whether that has been complied with or
Lordship,
not.
the Honorable High Court in another case, when she approached the court, the Honorable Court directed the government to allow her to join. And
Where-
she joined.
Where it
But
is?
that's it.
No, we're not concerned. Where on page 30? Page 30.
Page 13, that is husband, my lord.
Page 30.
Last part.
Page 30. 30.
Page 13.
Huh?
Page 13 was husband part, first by the High Court, Lordship has found
Which order you are saying that
In the
it has been violated?
in contempt petition, my lord.
Order dated?
Order dated 25/11/19.
Huh? Where it is?
That is last para.
Where it is? Page? Passed in 6477.
Yes, my lord, page 15 may be seen. Page 15, paragraph 5.
Again, it's 15.
Page 15, paragraph 5, my lord.
Where is para 15?
Page 15, paragraph 5. And paragraph 5 is husband, lordship. Paragraph 5.
No. The order is
My lord, paragraph 5 will make it clear,
2511.
my lord.
2511.
Order is, that was the judgment passed by Justice Honorable B.K. Sharma directing them.
No, we are not done.
No, I am.
You have, the violation is 25/11/2019.
Yes, 2002,
That is
25.
page 26.
Yes, 25/11/2019.
Yeah.
Kindly see the para 5 of that judgment. Para 5, my lord. They plead that the petitioner had not been allowed to sign the attendance register.
Why is concerned? Will concern by the direction come to page 30,
Yes.
para 6,
Last
para
page.
6 and 7, para 6.
My lord.
You read para 6.
Yes, my lord. What, my lord? Last page to go.
Page 30, sir.
Last page is missing.
Then,
Last page of the judgment.
is it my fault?
I'm sorry, last page of the judgment.
No, it has been, sir. We may, you take appropriate steps if you are agreed by if you have not been, according to if it's not been paid the full amount or whatever,
Yes,
we
my lord.
cannot do
They
anything.
have got the letter. They have.
But
paid-
Mr. R.C. Sarkia, learned senior counsel, assisted by
M. Sharma.
M.S.M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners, how many?
I am the only one petitioner. Only that she was a lady, she was working from 1988 and now she is retired.
Since the order of, no, it is submitted by the learned counsel for the alleged contemner, Mr. P.K. Bora, that the petitioner has received an amount of rupees 8,45,403. Is what? Area salary.
Yes, sir.
Area salary. Area salary. Where is that?
Sir, that is not with me, my lord. On last occasion, my lord, SMT 60 submitted before this honorable court, my lord. SMT 60 learned.
And their service has, his service has been regularized.
Me right now only.
Then how you say that all this thing?
Receive an amount of rupees 8,45,403.
Huh?
They have received, my lord, this amount.
See, this is a contemporary. How they, on what basis, what is this amount is for? What this money is for?
Yes,
First, his service has to be regularized and then you have to pay.
yes.
That instruction right now don't have.
I mean, how this is recorded? It's a contempt proceeding. Are you?
On earlier occasion, because today SMT 60 has not come before this honorable court.
Who is appearing for the list contemptor?
I am being on behalf of SMT 60.
Who is the officer? We'll call him. Who is the officer?
My lord, he is Narayan Kumar, the commissioner. The director has written to him that release the salary for the entire period and regularize him. But the commissioner is telling that I have joined newly. My lord, he did not pass any specific order regarding my salary.
But you have already taken. We have already
But my
received.
lord, I am a hungry woman. I have not got anything for last so many years together, and I am bedridden. And the authority told that you accept this money, rest we will see. I asked them for my order of regularization. That they also they did not issue the order of regularization. If they do not issue the order, your lordship is correct. Or if the order of regularization is not issued, I will not get the pension also. This is how I am victimized, my lord. A poor lady teacher.
See, unless it is regularized.
Yes, ma'am.
See, unless it is regularized, how you will be paid?
Yes, correct. That order of
If
regulation.
it is correct, the court order has been
Now, you
complied
lordship
with.
100% correct. If they do not issue the order of regulation, my lord, I will be nowhere. I will not get any even pension also after rendering 35%.
Let us not, I mean, here all, I mean, say anything which is not relevant.
My lord,
The relevancy here is
Yes, ma'am.
whether the court's order
my lord.
has been complied with or not.
Yes, my lord.
Now, they say that you have received, the petitioner has received 8 lakhs and odd amount. How without regularization,
Yes.
the amount has been paid to
That is
him?
the law point. They have to show that I am regular.
It's not a law point, it's a fact.
Facts and law, lordship. Your lordship is correct.
Are you getting me what I am trying to
I have
convey?
understood, my lord. Without
See, you
regulation,
have filed a contempt petition.
my lord. Correct.
The direction was to regularize your service and pay the area salaries, whatever, right? Now they are saying that you have already received, you have been paid already rupees 8 lakh something,
Yes, my lord.
which you have received.
This is the-
Now, I'm asking is, if you have not, if your service is not regularized
my lord,
as per the direction of the court,
my lord.
how you have been paid, what is the amount is all about? What this amount is all about, which you have received?
Come on, they have paid half of the.
We don't know. That's if it is half or full or whatever, more than then you approach again.
My lord.
So there is no contempt. We'll not
My
we'll
lord,
close
my
the
lord,
contempt.
my lord, lordship is correct that unless I am regularized, how they have made the payment, this area salary. That is the facts of the case. That is the, my lord, order.
We're
passed by the
closing.
court.
Whatever you want to do, you do it.
My lord,
We're closing it.
my lord, let them first issue the order of
It is-
regularization. Then if I am
While
not under the-
recording your submission, Mr. Bora,
My lord,
that the order of this court has been complied with
my lord.
by regularizing the service of the petitioner.
No, I can't see you tomorrow. This is a letter.
You should come with the documents, sir.
Oui, my lord.
Why you are borrowing from the petitioner? Huh? Already release area and salary
My-
after regularization.
My lord.
You write again, closing it.
No,
You
my lord,
decide.
no, my lord,
Heard
my
Mr.
lord,
R.C.
the-
Sekia, learned senior
doctor-
counsel,
the letter-
assisted by so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
There is no
It is
regulation.
submitted by Mr. P.K. Bora, that the order of this court dated, what is that, 11?
To 25/11,
25/11/20, 2019
my lord.
has duly been complied with, as the service of the petitioner has been regularized,
Has not been regularized.
and the area salaries amounting to rupees 8 lakhs. How much?
8,65,403.
8 lakhs 45,403 has already been paid, and
This is the letter, my lord, that is not regularized.
with the acknowledgement by the petitioner. Considering above, the order of this court has duly been complied with. Accordingly,
Madam-
contempt petition stands
Just a
closed.
minute. This is the letter. They refused to regularize.
Huh?
Who directed them to regularize my
This
service?
is for what amount?
No, amount, my lord, let us forget the amount. But
Are you still working?
My lord, now few days back. I
No, are
retired.
you still working?
No, few days back I have retired. Few days back,
Let me see.
let this letter be
Let
seen.
me,
That is their letter of chip. They did not regularize me. So initially I did not accept the money. But they insisted me.
unnecessary, we're prolonging the
My lord,
matter.
how a citizen can
We're yet to enter into a
my lord,
hearing
the
items.
vision of the honorable court, how an ordinary citizen can again insist them to pay regularize me. There is a specific order to regularize my service. They did not regularize. They have, with a malafide intention, disobeyed the order of the honorable court.
This is something different.
No, they did not regularize my service, lordship.
Sir, this is, who are you? Nirmali Bedi.
Yes, my lord.
For release of area salary in respect of so and so under Nalbari district in connection with 492. Arising under so and so, the sanction is due in.
রিটায়ার হল জবাবটা রেগুলার করা নাই না রেগুলার নকলে মই এরিয়ার স্যালারি না পাও ওরা নাই তোমার সিটেড নাই
Payment of notice connection with them.
This is 8,65,000. You said 45. This letter is re-sanction.
They have issued the letter. Commissioner has issued that letter.
Issued a letter for re-sanction.
My lord, what?
Re-sanction of.
Rest,
Re-sanction.
re-sanction, but they did not do it. See the judgment of the appeals court, my lord.
How
that-
much you have?
Order of regulation, and a similar case went to the Supreme Court. I just,
Why you are arguing for the Supreme
my
Court?
lord, my lord.
No, I don't want.
No, my lord,
No,
my
no,
lord.
it's a contempt petition. I just wanted to see whether this has been, they said this has been already complied with.
For comply, and mere telling is not enough, lordship, with my folded arms. They must comply with the judgment with full spirit, that they must first regularize me in my service. Then they may issue release the salary.
They say they've done it.
Why the order of regulation? Let them sue it, my lord. Let them sue that I was regularized in my service. And this is the judgment of the appeals court. They must,
Forget about the judgment.
my lord.
Sir, we are doing it on the facts. Facts are still not, they said that has been complied with.
My lord.
You said it's not been complied with.
Why
And this letter is only for re-sanctioning.
what
It
order?
doesn't, in re-sanctioning, it cannot be said.
My lord, what is the order of regulation? Kindly, lordship has seen, there is no word of regulation.
I'll kindly fix on Friday, I'll bring the instruction, my lord, regarding release and. my lord,
Yes, let it be
regularize.
fixed on Friday, my lord. Let them bring the instruction. Complete instruction, lordship.
Are you authorized to appear in this matter?
Yes, my lord.
Then
Well, actually,
why you come with an empty hand?
extremely sorry, because on
Who is the person?
SMTC is still looking after this matter. There is a tomorrow, otherwise, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord.
Either of the parties, it's very unfortunate.
Sorry, my lord,
This
tomorrow,
not
my lord.
only, I mean, sir, you are also a senior lawyer. Why you are, I mean, unnecessarily referring to the Supreme Court and all? We're on the contempt proceeding. We're not able to understand the facts, status.
Tomorrow, my lord.
You will call the officer, commissioner.
Hello?
I mean, I believe, this court believe that, I mean, this contempt should not be like a scarecrow to pretend the officers. But it doesn't mean that you just take it casually.
Extremely sorry, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord.
You know, court's order, it's only cannot, it cannot be without the cooperation and this thing. There cannot be, I mean, justice delivery system will be at naught.
My lord, my fault, my lord.
The learned senior counsel doesn't try to understand. I said, what is the factual status?
My fault, my
Referring
lord.
to the Supreme Court. Where is jumping to the Supreme Court? You'll have to show, and you don't have to argue much. You know more than me. Once you brought to the notice of the court, you are out. And for such a small thing, to understand the fact that, I mean, the status, we took 30 minutes.
Correct.
More than 30 minutes.
Yes,
Where will be the justice?
yes.
On the, heard Mr. Again, third time, RC Gashem, huh? Since the, in view of the claim and counterclaim, you delete all the earlier orders, huh? Of compliance of the order of this court. Comma. Let this matter be listed after a week, huh? On which date the Mr. P.K. Bora, learned counsel for the alleged contemner, shall produce the compliance order.
Obliged, man. I'm sorry, man. Obliged.
Obliged.
Item 20.
Yeah, please. Kindly,
Yes.
last order.
Hmm.
Just now, Lordship, it's the copy, Lordship.
Paid.
No, Lordship, principal has forwarded the proposal, area salary, and we, the director has, Lordship, calculated it and found it in order. And today, Lordship, it will be sent to the government for the, Lordship, the rest of the procedure. Lordship.
What is the petitioner was? Petitioner working as what?
Well, it's still professor, my lord.
Is still working.
It's still working, my lord. My lord, my claim with regard to the, my lord, area salary, my lord.
Ah,
I was
11
suspended,
lakhs, 11 lakhs 91,000.
Yes, Lord.
Huh?
Yes, Lord. Yes, it is
Suspension
found in
period.
order. Yes, it is found in, principal has forwarded to us, to the directorate, and we have found in our lordship, and now today I have received the instruction, lordship, I have forwarded it to the,
We
now,
will close the matter.
no, but I'm not received, my lord, till now.
No, they are doing it. They'll be paid.
No, my lord, on last
We-
occasion, my lord, sent
We'll,
my lord,
we'll say
submission
that,
was there, lord.
we'll say that within 3 months will be paid.
No, my lord, let the matter, my lord, keep pending, lordship. Yes, lordship. It may be
Are you
paid.
happy? Are you happy in keeping the matter
No,
pending?
and it's
Unnecessary.
first
See,
year.
you are claiming something.
Yes, lordship.
They have accepted it. It's a matter of process only.
Lordship.
It's a matter of time to complete the process.
Lord.
Unnecessary, why?
My lord, why submitting, my lord? Why I'm submitting, my lord? Kindly see the last three order, lord.
I have seen it.
My lord,
I've seen it.
same submission, but till now I'm not receiving.
And Mr. So and so learned
Mr.
counsel
Jackpot-
for the petitioner.
This is the matter after 3 months, my lord.
Uh,
My lord, pending list.
3 months.
Yes, let them complete, my lord.
After 3 months, we'll say matter has become in process. That's why I'm asking, are you happy in keeping the matter pending unnecessary?
Otherwise, my lord, again I have to oppose, my lord, by filing a
So in
contempt
so, huh?
petition, lordship.
Mr. A.R. Tabilda, learned counsel for the understanding of higher education department by placing the communication dated 12/02/2026 from the Joint Director of Higher Education, Assam, Assam. Submits that the directorate has examined and scrutinized the proposal received from the college as regards the area salary claimed by the petitioner and found to be in order. List up. The proposal has now been prepared and being placed before the being placed before the government for consideration. List of. Therefore, he phrased that the matter may be listed after 3 months. As agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, let this matter be listed after 3 months. If you are happy to be after 3 months, it's okay.
Please.
Item 21.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, what happened?
So as per the last office note, my lord, service not come, that has been unserved, notice has been written. Notice was returned regarding
Till the neither.
respondent 1 and 7,
Huh.
and no unserved notice has been received in regard to respondent 2 to 6, my lord. As a secondary education council is here also,
Sorry.
my lord.
Hmm?
It's pending for a long time. We have been taken several steps, my lord. For almost 1 year, my lord.
So if it is answered, what can we do?
Yes, my lord. The standing council of the education department.
No,
is
no,
there.
I say
uh,
contempt matter.
If they have the any
Final, you try.
instruction, if they have any.
You try again.
My lord.
Office note dated, heard Mr. So-and-so learn from. Office note dated 10/02/2026 indicates that answered notice notices in respect of respondent 1 and 7 has returned. With a remarks that addressee, respondent number 1 has, no, addressee in respect of respondent, no, addressee within bracket respondent number 1 has left and redirect in respect of respondent number 4. Redirect to Jorad. I don't know why. No, I return answer, huh? Just a minute. And so far as no entry card or answer notices have been returned from respondent 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In
My
view
lord,
of-
and one more.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner is granted a week's time to take precise steps. You just try to find out.
Yes, my lord, I will do that.
everything.
And one more observation may be made. If any incumbent changes, my lord, then we may be allowed to implement that incumbent also.
It's always there.
My lord,
Permission is not.
maybe that observation may be made.
No, permission is not required. You file it, I will consider.
My lord, my lord. Much obliged.
List after 4 weeks.
Item 22.
Lordship pass over for the time being.
Affidavit has been filed.
Lordship, let the senior come.
Affidavit has been filed.
Let the senior come.
Affidavit has been filed or not?
Lordship,
Madam, no affidavit.
Lordship, I'm a fresher, that's why. I'm
Affidavit,
Yes, my
affidavit,
third
this
day.
one. B. Devi. Where is B. Devi?
item number 22.
Who is B. Devi? He appeared for a respondent. Alice Contempner. Heard MS so learned counsel. It is seen that Mr. B. Devi, learned counsel, had appeared on behalf of the respondent, Alice Contempner. However, he is not present today. He is not present today, but he is present. He is not present today. Christopher, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. In the meantime, the Mr. B. Devi may take steps.
Item 23.
After 2 weeks.
Please, Lordship.
Terang P. Madam, you inform B. Devi, it's a contempt matter. He had appeared and just kept, remain absent. It's a contempt matter, item 22. No, not now. We have adjourned the matter for 2 weeks. 23.
Please, Your Lordship. Service is awaited. I may be allowed to take dusty on the respondent, Your Lordship.
Again, when
Yes,
did
Your
you take,
Lordship. Answer.
when did you take this step?
Lordship,
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the further, no. Let this matter be listed after, no, prayer Mr. No, Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for petition praise for, submits that he may be allowed to take praise steps. for this for service of notice upon this contempt. Praise the Lord. Is permitted to take fresh steps.
By way of Dusty,
Within-
Your Lordship. By way of Dusty.
Within within 1 week, list after 3 weeks.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
I'll finally see the last order. Principal and TTO ना? Principal with the DTO. तो union दिया देना. No.
Yes,
Lordship, I have that instruction. I have the amount has been sanctioned, Lordship, and instructed to the inspector of school of Dhuburi for releasing of his amount, Lordship.
मतलब direction may be given मतलब without further delay the amount may be released.
Huh?
Without further delay मतलब the amount.
No,
amount
we'll
may be
not
released.
say, since they have already directed, it has been sanctioned already.
Yes, मतलब.
Heard, mister?
Yes, sir.
We'll dispose it of. Learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. PP Datta, learned standing counsel, secondary education department. And who else? Terangpi also no. Next para. This application, this petition has been filed seeking direction to respondents to release an amount of rupees 4,37,829 on account of medical reimbursement. No, towards medical reimbursement, which was sanctioned on 23/02/2024. Mr. PP Datta, learned standing counsel, by placing the communication dated 23/01/2026 from the Joint Director, Secondary Education, Assam, submits that the Inspector of School, Dhubri District Circle, Dhubri, has been requested to instruct the DDO concerned to draw and disburse the re-sanction amount to the petitioner through her bank account after observing all prescribed formalities. List of it has it has been the specific direction has been given for payment in favor of the petitioner.
My lord, petitioner.
What is the name of the petitioner?
My lord, Mahfuza Khatun. my lord.
Namely, Mahfuza
Khatun.
Khatun, wife of late Kasmat Ali Sheikh, retired, subject teacher of SPHS school, Dhubri, who had please being the cost of medicines and other hospital charges incurred for his treatment. Mr. In view of above, and as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, there's nothing, there's no surviving cause to be determined in the present petition. Accordingly, the writ petition stands disposed of, closed and disposed of. The stuff, it is provided, it is needless to provide that the respondent authorities, public, the concerned respondent authorities shall disburse
Yes, madam.
the amount as indicated. The amount of rupees 4,37,828 to the petitioner as expeditiously.
Try to provide the information.
Huh?
Try also to provide the authority regarding fulfilling all.
And the petitioner shall cooperate with the concerned authorities for whatever, or for what? Or to expedite the process of disbursement, list of the copy of so-and-so, skip so-and-so,
Obliged, madam.
You will finish this order first.
Item 25.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, we have filed this IA because there is some urgency in the matter, lordship. We are being led by Mr. Ken Chaudhary, lordship.
So,
Lordship, if it,
IA is for what?
lordship, we have filed this IA, lordship, he has arrived here, lordship.
IA is,
I'm sorry, my lord.
no, it's okay. We have just taken up.
Yes. My lord, it's a case where, my lord, actually I am a victim of a sexual harassment in workplace. The ICC report is in my favor, my lord. The executive director, my lord, just to help the respondent number 6, has, my lord, not accepted the report and instead, my lord, putting a lot of harassment on me. And my lord, they have released me from my probation also, that I have obtained.
Your resignation has also been rejected.
Yes.
And you have been posted to,
No, my lord, there was an order by which my probation period was, my lord, terminated. They say it is a simpliciter, but it's a punishment. But then, my lord, in the one of the hearing, my lord, we thought that why not we tender our resignation, and so that they can release us honorably, my lord. But they refused that also. Now, lordship will have to hear the matter. So, my lord, on Thursday next, my lord.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 5. Lordship, in fact, this requires to be at this stage itself.
what?
The IA.
We'll hear you. Will you hear you on Thursday?
Yes. Yeah, what do you
Heard Mr. Ken Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
SP Sharma.
SP Sharma, learned counsel for the applicant oblique petitioner, and also heard
Mr. DS Patel.
who else are there?
Respondent number 5.
You just give your one chronologically, serially. As agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, let this matter be listed. On Thursday is what? 19/02/2026. You don't want to continue in the service.
No, Milord. Milord, my continuance has become horrible, Milord. I'm a lady. I cannot fight against the whole world, Milord.
You are a what a professor?
I'm yes, Milord. Actually, Milord, I belong to pediatrics. Now I have been transferred to a neonatology, which is not my specialization. Milord, lot of things are going on, Milord.
See, you are for respondent 5 is who is respondent 5?
Director.
The director.
Yeah.
Milord, he was debarred
You are
from
losing
taking
a
action
doctor.
against me and he has passed the order.
The matter is entirely unrelated. It was WPC 2.
Why you want to lose a doctor? Lordship, if I have to show. Anyway, thank you. We'll hear you on Thursday. We'll hear you on Thursday. Okay. The last 2 months, if this is the. Hear you on Thursday. Okay. Continue at 2. Yes.
Yes, already, they already, the second initiative on the matter for release of the people. And telephonic communication today, said that it will take 15 days.
We'll close it. Recording.
I have a copy of the 30th of January instruction minutes. That is a letter from the law officer to the chief engineer, wherein my learned senior colleague's instruction has been conveyed that there is an opinion that the BG should be returned. My only apprehension, my lord, is that today's instruction that the chief engineer is going to release the BG is a verbal instruction, my lords. There is no recent instruction after 30th of January.
From the idea of what I'm saying. Pradhan Manja was here in Maligaon, this is the release. But
No, we'll record his submission and we'll close the IA. Right.
let it in my because I have made several communication to the authorities. But they are really instructed me that communicated me that release of BG and Kanti will be taken, maybe taken within 15 days. 15 days is necessary to release them.
Then we'll keep it pending and we'll say that the record is submission. Right.
That the chief engineer has undertaken that within 15 days it will be completed. Then
Yes.
lordship after, because lordship for next 4 weeks, lordship is, this bench is not available. Any date after that, my lords. In the meantime, they may act on their undertaking.
Heard Mr.
A. Gautam, my lord.
A. Gautam, learned counsel for the applicant. Mr. A.K. Datta, learned CJC. Submits that as for telephonic discussion and instruction from the respondent authorities, the authorities has
Already acted upon the prayer of the
acted upon the prayer of the applicant in this application, particularly for release of the bank guarantee, which would take another 15 days to complete the formalities.
My lords.
Stuff. In view of, therefore, Mr. Datta, learned CGC submits that matter may be listed after 15 days, within which the bank guarantee shall be released. Bank guarantee shall be released to the applicant.
Yes.
I can't say, but already acted upon by the they telephonic
They say they'll release it. They'll release it.
they will
Have they said so?
Okay.
Last order you said, they will just say that within 15 days, the last 2 or 3 last sentence you read.
but this
The considering the submissions of the learned CGC, it is expected that the respondent authorities shall release the BG to the applicant within 15 days. I said expected on the basis of your submission, right? And as agreed to by the learned counsel for the party, let this matter be listed after 15 days.
Communication dated 30.
Yes,
Issued by the law, FISA may be record.
that's right. That may be made a part of the record. Manoj.
Then before that, I'm not considering before that, huh? After his submission, huh? He also, Mr. Datta has also, Mr. Datta Lanesis has also placed the communication dated, copy of the communication dated 3001/2026 issued by the law officer oblique CON/MLG to the chief engineer CON/LMG project NF Railway. Maligaon, this is Maligaon.
Maligaon. Headquarters.
Chief engineer,
Place the hard copy of this. It doesn't indicate anything. Place the which may be kept on, record and marked as document X, huh? For reference. That's all.
Grateful.
Maybe lots.
No.
Let's see, here we file an miscellaneous application
Hmm.
for small correction in the order dated 11/9. Lots of page 18, paragraph 2, lots.
Page 18.
Lots it. There was a mistake on our part. Mr. S.C.K. Leonard, Standing Council, DRTO submit that the stain of the DRT has already been brought on record by way of affidavit in opposition. Till it is not correct. However, since the payment of ex gratia 70 has been received 6 months back, this is actually factually incorrect. We have received the affidavit filed by the Deputy Commissioner 6 months back. Other rest all these things are correct. And Lordship, I want to submit this, Lordship, the payment of process has already been last stage, probably within 4 weeks.
This is what?
Lordship, this ex gratia payment, the Deputy Commissioner directed us to make payment, Lordship. We have not received any amount from anybody. We have to make payment to the petitioner.
However, since the payment experience has been received 6 months back and in view of the shifting of the office from
In fact, that we have received affidavit 6 months back. We have annexed the affidavit also. Let's come to page 10, paragraph 5.
So you want, what do you want?
Lordship, I want that this word may be deleted. That
Then?
we have received back, we have received the amount 6 months back. Rest everything is correct.
Can we pass without hearing them?
Lordship, I have talked to Mr. Ghosh also. Lordship, he has some personal difficulty. He says he has no objection if the order is corrected. Because this is based from the record law. Lordship, please to see, come to page 10, Lord.
Anyway, it's okay.
Page 10.
So what do you want to do now?
Lordship, this word may be deleted.
No, forget about this.
Lordship, we have already processed the amount to be paid to the petitioner. This is the amount, Lordship, which has been written in the order, Lord.
Resolve the issue.
Yeah, everything is correct, Lordship. We have already initiated the process.
We have granted you to resolve the issue.
Yes, Lordship, that is correct. But this amount, we have received the amount 6 back. Lordship, in fact, we have received the affidavit filed by the Deputy Commissioner 6 months back.
It's okay. It doesn't put any hurdles.
No, Lordship, because it created confusion among the department. Since we have not received any amount from anybody, Lordship. that is creating problem to the department.
No, no, ultimately what we have directed.
No, Lordship.
To resolve the issue.
Yes, that is already in process. Probably payment will be made within 4 weeks, Lordship. I make a statement to that effect in paragraph 5, Lordship. Paragraph 5, Lordship.
Heard Mr. S.C. Care, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel for the applicant.
Lordship.
Applicant, who is the applicant? Union of
Yeah,
India. Applicant, huh? Applicants. When the matter is taken up, Mr. S.C. Care, learned counsel for the applicant submits that he has already informed the learned counsel for the
Lordship.
opposite party respondents, opposite party writ petitioner.
Read please, Lordship. SK
Opposite
Ghosh.
party respondent writ petitioner. For which has informed the writ petitioner, for which informed the writ petitioner, and the learned counsel has stated to have no objection if the order sought to be correct, if the order
Lordship.
part of the order dated 11/09/2025 is corrected.
Lordship.
Next para. This court on 11/09/2025 has passed the following orders, huh? Page 18. Next para. Mr. S.C. Kyle, learned counsel for the applicant submits that the sentence been inverted, huh? However, since the payment of ex gratia of rupees 78,74,750 has been received 6 months back, within inverted comma, huh? Is actually has been inadvertently recorded as no ex gratia amount has been received 6 months back. Therefore, the above sentence recorded by this court make the strike off. Strike off. He submits that next paragraph. When you have said,
What's paragraph 3, Lordship. That applicant states that on 11/9/2025, the deponent on behalf of the applicant was present before the honorable court on the basis of previous direction and explained the entire issue and submitted that though the council that the stand of the DRDO has already been brought on the record by way of affidavit in opposition and further submitted the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4, that is Deputy Commissioner, was supplied to the DRDO only 6 months before 6 months. Then such question of receiving ex gratia DRDO does
no, no, where you have said you are going to settle the matter.
Lordship, paragraph 5. That the applicant
Submits
said the process of payment of
the
ex
process of payment of ex gratia amount
as
is determined by the Deputy Commissioner Kamruf.
as approved by
And
the
as,
government is under process.
and as approved by government is under process, as the amount is to be released by the Ministry of Defense, for which certain mandatory formalities has to be completed, for which further time is required.
That time has already been granted by Lordship. We are comply with that timeline.
further, no, then it has to be completed, huh? Next paragraph. Result of the affidavit in opposition filed by the applicant also reflects that no, what do we call it? No statement is made as regard the receipt of the ex gratia amount of rupees 78,94,075,750 by 6 months back. But the amount will remain the same.
Yes, the amount will be same.
Mr. Considered above, comma. I'm of the view that the sentence within appropriate. However, since payment of ex gratia of so and so has been received 6 months back, appears to be inadvertently recorded. In view of above, the word so and so stands delete the sentence so and so stands deleted. No? Mr. Is Mr. Learned Counsel assures to complete the process within the timeline as granted by this court. The enforcement authorities are expected to complete the same. Listing. This order shall be form part of the order at 11/09/2025.
Much of it.
If the IA stands disposed of.
Much of it.
Where is that? Close list. Close list. Before the way we get it.
Maintenance. Not too good. Not too good. No.
Main is to put it into the heady, but maintainability to put on a. But maintainability to second pistol as a. First party person.
May please you go. Lordship. Lordship, you can hear me. Last occasion, we argued on the maintainability of the case
Of the second one.
in the second petition filed by the respondents. And with Society Act 2. We had based our argument
Second petition.
in second petition.
What about first petition?
Your Lordship,
What about first petition? First
first
petition.
petition I'll submit on that.
Second petition.
In the earlier occasion, we had argued on section 6 of the Society Registration Act. And your lordship was of the view that that may not be applicable to us, because this is not a suit, but a writ proceeding. And this act applies only to suits. That is still debatable. Your lordship may decide against us, that is one aspect. But it's a matter which requires some consideration. And what was the rulings? For that, we had submitted the citations last.
Nothing.
In the we have given 6 citations. We'll give. But we will not deal with that now.
With the list of books.
Compilation of that.
List of books. List of books. It will perform to the Karnataka serial number 2, right? Which is never the with petition. The main was the resolution. Society, registered society. In fact, society.
Your the petition was filed as a registered society.
But without any resolution.
But without any certificate of registration or a list of names of the members of the society. None of those names are mentioned in the petition.
And no resolution, mainly no resolution.
I'll just point out to 2006 report.
Serial number 2.
As serial number 2, your lordship will see.
Let us do one thing. Subject to what you say. I think substantially I have heard you, both of you.
No, not on the merit part of it.
Huh?
Not on the merit part of it.
Merit, I'll go into it. You file a written submission. I'll consider. I've heard you.
Yes.
Maintainability, I've heard you. Merit also I've gone through. What do you want to say on the merit also? Kindly file a written submission.
I'll do that.
I think, sir, that will be better. Because I have recorded some of your submissions.
Yes.
But in the process, I may forget, I may not, certain points. Because that way, we'll not be able to finish the matter.
Yes.
So we'll fix it, not for hearing. I have heard you substantially. Yes. So that you have, so that in that case, you better, both the side, you file a written statement, a written submission in your case, and as a respondent in item number 2, and second item, and sir, also you also file in your case, and as a respondent also. That will be better. We'll fix it some other day.
And petitioner is the first case.
When you will submit?
Next.
We'll fix after,
Monday,
huh?
lordship will not be here.
When I come back, I'll do it here
Okay. One
after 4 weeks.
after 4 weeks. 2 weeks.
No, I am coming back after 4 weeks.
Then
From
first,
Itanagar to direct Kohima.
first part of March then. 5th of March, first part of.
I just don't want to carry home.
Can you fix the
There will be another burden, especially in internal bench.
Why? If we submit, it should go back on, thank you, records.
on
Before submission.
5th of March.
No, in fact, I'll be traveling all these 2 weeks, right? I may not get time.
I say, submit, it will be absent from your object. The submission, that. Those will have.
No, since this is, pending for so many years, why not another 4 weeks? We'll fix after 4 weeks. We'll give the date after March 13, huh?
March 13th, yes. Then on 19th of March.
That day you submit that within 1 week or 2, maybe I'll deliver the judgment.
19th of March. 19th March.
And I request both the learned senior counsel, instruct your, assisting counsel not to give so many judgment.
No, no.
Only few judgment.
We finish with judgments, no more.
There isn't, why I've come across so many judgment. For us, we take practical, difficulties I'm just sharing. For us, especially this court, we'll have to hear, we'll have to go through before dictating the judgment. It takes 10 days, 15 days to, go through the all if we have.
No,
I have a case, I was supposed to deliver today, judgment. It was not fixed for delivery of the judgment, but then I was thinking we'll finish it within 1 week before I go out. But then they have both the sides, they have cited. I said, well, I was hearing, just give the most nearest and the relevant. At best, 3 or 4. Then I said, as I requested them to file a written submission. When I show, they have placed around, each of them has placed around 15 judgment each.
no.
Now it's a written submission. I cannot refuse, I can't refuse, I can't refuse to, go through. I'll have to, so it took me, another 15 days. Still, I could not complete the judgment.
Issuing lordship, we will not submit anymore.
So I'm not bothered, but in the appeal, they may say that we have filed this is on record. The learned single judge has not gone through and all those ignored. That it doesn't look nice. So this ultimately, maximum is maybe relevant. It is of, it's no use citing it when the same issue and the law has been reiterated in the latest or earlier. When it is settled, we don't have to cite so many cases on the same point.
You know,
I'm just sharing my, difficulty and
Yes.
experience here. So kindly request both of you to give the limited
I'll
and
make it as concise as possible.
facts to no, no judgment is required. Law, the two only on the maintainability only. And almost all the law, it's already placed and
That
it's
has been
almost
placed
settled.
only on merits will give.
Only the way, the issue is whether the suit, whether writ petition includes the suit. That is something a gray area I would go
is
into it by the assistance of the learned senior counsel. So we'll fix it on
19th of March.
We'll not say that the hearing concluded. We'll say that it remains part heard,
Pardon.
but with the understanding that on that day, no
We will not argue it.
argument.
No more arguments.
No argument. But in between, if you come across something, you may place it without arguing. Okay, heard Mr. MZ Ahmed, learned senior counsel, assisted by
Aim the.
AM Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC 2408/2016. And also had, and respondent number
345 and 717.
345 in
717.
WPC 7173 of 2015. And also had Mr. KK Mohanlal, senior partner, assisted by N. Begum, learned counsel for petitioner in WPC 7173 of 2015. And respondent in WPC 2 and so. Has agreed to that. Learned counsel to the parties. Let these matters be listed for further consideration on 19/03/2026. As the matters remain part heard. Will not record the written submission. In between, anytime you may.
Will.
The matter is covered by the judgment passed by the Honorable Court.
Yes.
Of Pranab Prasad Bora. Yes, second is the notification dated 7/6/2016, by which the mark for oral interview has been abolished.
Yes.
His case is that at the time of advertisement, there is another notification which stipulates that there will be a 5 marks for oral interview. After that, before the selection process started, that new notification has been come.
Yes.
So by following that, interview was conducted. He has challenged the notification. So this one.
Saying that there was a requirement of Basi marks.
Yes,
No, after the game is started,
yes.
you cannot change the goalpost.
That has been answered by this court in the case of Pranab Prasad Bora.
In a similar method.
Similarly,
Same
same,
notification.
same. This is the judgment.
R. Burman, London Constable, 6 says. Have you gone through?
My lord?
Have you gone through?
Yes.
So what is to be done?
Here a batch of application has been filed challenging this notification and this honorable court answer began.
So we'll close. Dismissed.
Dismissed.
Just closed.
Well, just close.
Dismissed also there is an interim order.
Close in the light of judgment that passed by this.
Heard Mr.
B. Rahman.
Short order then. Short order. B. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr.
And second for respondent number 5.
Then we'll record them first. And also heard Mr. A.R. Thavildar for standing counsel, higher education, 1, 2, and 3, and MS Swenson for respondent number UG, learned standing counsel UGC for respondent number 4, and Mr.
And second for respondent number 5.
And for respondent number, who is respondent number 5?
Respondent number 5.
College.
Okay. Respondent number 5. Respondent number 5, yes.
Kampur.
Kanpur,
Kampur.
Kanpur College. In this case, similar notification, same notification. This 7/6/2016. Next para. By this writ petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the notification of the guideline dated 07/06/2016 issued by the, where it is, Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam, Higher Education Department, where it is?
Annexure
Page 50.
Whereby? Page 50.
50.
50.
last paragraph about the system.
Then we'll say this is not a order, this is a communication. Communication and instead of order, huh? A notification. What is the notification?
They have set it the notification.
It's not notification.
Yeah.
Communication, we'll say communication.
Communication.
Communication, huh? Should by the general to the Director of Higher Education. Assam, whereby the department has decided to abolish the system of awarding oral marks for what? Recruitment. For recruitment of faculties for the assistant professor of assistant professor of colleges. The petitioners, who are you?
My lord, I am
one of the candidate, my lord.
Hmm.
I have applied for assistant professor of political science. I've come.
Pursuant to the advertisement dated 17/12/2015, inviting application for the post of assistant professor. Only for political science.
Political science.
Assamese political science.
Assistant professor, including the political science in Kamrup College,
Kanpur.
Kanpur College, Kanpur Noga. The petitioner, he had applied for the post of assistant professor within bracket political science. This full stuff. It is the contention of the petitioner that for the selection of assistant professors in different college in the state of Assam, UGC regulation dated 3006/2010 is followed. The stuff. In the year 2012, the Director of Higher Education, Assam, had promulgated some guidelines for selection of the assistant professor in violation of the existing UGC regulation dated 03/06/2010 for selection of the post of assistant professor. Thereafter, the office memorandum dated 25/06/2012 was challenged before this court in WPC 1368 of 2013. Wherein an interim order was granted staying the operation of the said office memorandum dated 25/06/2012. Next para. During the pendency of the said writ petition, respondent number 3, response authority had issued another notification dated 14/08/2015 formulating another guidelines for selection of assistant professor and distribution of marks for ranking of the candidates, which was in conformity with the UGC guideline of the regulation. And said push memorandum 20% marks were allotted for viva of the interview. Next para. Thereafter, by the impugn communication dated 07/06/2016 from the Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam Higher Education Department has sought to abolish the system of awarding oral marks in the recruitment of the faculties of assistant professor of colleges, again in violation of the UGC norms and standards, which was communicated to all the principal of government public provincialized colleges. This stuff. That has been stated.
Yes, not stay, directed to not to finalize the post of the political, in respect of other there is.
Against which a writ petition being WPC 405 of 2016 was instituted in respect of the post of assistant professor Assamese in Navajati College district in the Barpeta district. List of the petitioner challenging the same in respect of challenging the communication dated so and so the 07/06/2016 impugn communication filed this writ petition in respect of the selection process for assistant professor in Kanpur College, Kanpur,
In Kanpur.
Noga district. Next para. It is submitted by the Landed Council for the respondents, Mr. A.R. Tabildar, so and so, this Deka, that the issue as regard the impugn communication dated 07/06/2016 07/06/2016 has been decided by by this court in a batch of writ petition. Leading case being, what is the leading case?
WPC
58 of 2021 by an order dated 09/03/2022. Where is the operative person?
Operative person page 49. 48, 49.
49?
48 and 49.
Pera. Full stuff. Therefore, the Land Council for the petitioner, respondents submits that the said case is squarely covered by the The present case is squarely covered by the aforesaid judgment in the case of so and so. You just read petition within brackets, Dr. So and so. Mr. H. Rahman. R. B. Rahman. B. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who has been granted time to go through the say judgment and the judgment of this court in Dr. Pranab Prasad Bora, Supra, and others, and a batch of writ petitions within brackets Supra, fairly submits that the case of Pranab Bora so and so Supra, a judgment in the case of so and so, Dr. Pranab Bora Prasad so and so is squarely covered, indeed squarely covered the present case. Next para. Perusal of the judgment and order dated so and so, Dr. so and so Supra indicates that the no shows that the issue in the present case, similar issue in the present case, not similar, same issue, same notification, same issue challenging the impugn communication dated 07/06/2016 has already been decided by court. The relevant paragraph is reproduced here in below. Para 48 and 49, in view of above. Having considered, on consideration of the above judgment, consideration so Supra, Dr. Pranab so and so. I'm also of the view that the present case is covered by the judgment of so and so. List of accordingly as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties. Writ petition stands closed as the same as the issue in the issue in the present list is squarely covered by the aforesaid judgment so and so. Closed, I said closed. So and so. That's all.
Interim order is 99 cents.
Actually, on disposal, it merged, automatically merged. Anyway, interim order passed. In the present cell merged along with this order.
Regarding my submission, after perusal of the judgment, I am not opposing. Cannot be written this and that. After perusal of the judgment, I am not opposing.
Yes, I said fairly submits that this is squarely covered.
Yes.
Same impugn order, I mean communication. Yes, sir.
My lord, this is a very, in a case of hard round of litigation by the petitioner. For my, is on next, so my senior may start today.
We are not in the midst of hearing.
He is arguing the my senior may start. Is the lordship pleases, my lord?
But I don't want to keep our part hard.
Oh, lordship is, probably lordship has expressed the opinion that 4 weeks lordship won't be
I'll
here.
be away because I don't want to.
No, lordship finishes normally
Yeah.
very.
I just wanted to finish.
That's what, my lord.
No,
No,
because we have only
and this,
time is short.
yes,
We'll some other day.
yes, my lord, because
Short date.
I'll also make my detailed submission. It's
Yes.
quite long.
I know,
petition. This is
I
a
know,
matter,
Mr.
departmental proceeding.
I know, not sir.
My lord, no, my lord. Normally, I am very pinpoint, I am very short, but
And,
this,
and this court is very slow in understanding the.
no. This court is fast, my lord. No, this is the opinion, my lord, I'm telling you, lordships, my lord. We know. Because lordships court, it is easier for us to make understand. It doesn't take much time. Because I have seen a lordships, my lord, before the elevation to the bench, my lord. I have seen. Years and years I have seen a lordships, my lord. I know, my lord.
Okay, some other day. Otherwise, had I been next week, I have no issue
Yes,
keeping
yes.
it part of
And
continue.
that also for 4 weeks, lordship is out
Yes,
of
yes.
station.
But it will take time.
No, obviously,
Then next week or after a week.
after a week.
Because it's 2018 matters, you
18 matters.
you will fix the, you will give you a fixed date.
Yes, fix, give me date.
But sometime,
My lord, 24th?
sometime it doesn't look nice fixing a date when you are not there. When the bench will not be there to giving a fixed date, it doesn't appears, I mean, for me, that I don't feel it's fair. If I fix the matter, when the same bench is there, then it's okay.
Oh, yeah, I understand. I got it.
Not on serious note.
No, I know.
Yes, then.
24th,
When?
24th, my lord. Next week.
24th, huh?
24th, my lord.
As agreed to by, I heard Mr. So-and-so, I am not learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. Learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. A.R. Tabildar. Learned counsel, standing counsel. Higher education. No, learned counsel.
Not standing on.
On behalf of K. Gogoi.
No, they said, in that case, next man, na? After Mr. A.L. Tabildar, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Gogoi. Learned standing counsel appearing in this matter. Some is this Mr. Gogoi is on legs in some other, is in the midst of the hearing in some other court. Therefore, praise for listing of the matter. After a week. After a week,
After a week, my lord.
as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, that this matter be
24th?
listed on 24th. 02/2020.
Because my petition is also suffering, my
Ah.
lord. She is retired by now.
Okay.
Obliged, my lord. Please, your lord.
This matter relates to selection and appointment of an assistant professor lordship in an open university lordship. In an open university lordship, Krishnakanta Handiko State Open University lordship. There are some illegalities in appointing the respondent number 8 lordship. So we have challenged the appointment of respondent number 8 of this writ petition lordship.
Is the appointment of which year?
2020 lordship.
Okay.
Actually, this matter has already been heard in pitch for judgment lordship.
Huh?
It was already been heard by another bench lordship and pitched for judgment lordship.
Then?
But later on, it was released lordship. Because the transfer of the Honorable Justice Mr. Justice Zomi lordship. On the pleadings and already completed, even my lord, I have submitted my written submission also lordship. And today, but my lord, standing counsel KK Henry State Open University is not available, perhaps my lord.
Okay, as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties.
But my lord, I have submitted my written submission.
Represented by Mr.
R. Pukon lord.
R. Pukon, learned counsel for petitioner and Mr. Learned counsel for respondent number 8. Let this matter be listed after
19th lordship, 19th February.
not 19th. After 25.
2020 matter lordship.
5th March.
Can it be on 10th lordship?
10th March.
Lordship.
10th also we have fixed so many matters. 10th, 10th.
10th lordship. Obliged.
10th March.
10th.
10th of March. There is a stay operating against you. Interim or is there any interim order?
There is an observation lordship subject to the result.
Subject to outcome. Okay.
About 10 to 6 lordship.
It's up to you, you decide. 12th. Yeah. This is the last item. Yes.
Lordship matter pertains to the family pension. The petitioner is the first wife, your lordship. And the respondent number 9 is the private respondent, is the second wife.
Yes. Why don't you go for mediation? Out of your wedlock,
Yes, two childs are there.
two children.
Yes.
Okay. 2000?
2007. He was divorced and she stayed with my